questions, and then others question. I mean, graded practice, whatever you have, or general doubts you are having. How was mock? What is the level of mock? Too tough or easy or medium?
Sir, mock is removed from the supplementary content.
So now it is we have released the solution. So if you go to the mock test and quizzes, it will be the solution mock for quiz 2 that is visible.
Sir, there is not mention the timing. So I I think that I solve in evening, but
No,
I
no. So
can't solve,
we
sir.
have sent the mail to all of you.
No, sir, I
Yeah, you asked to others.
So, but the timing is today night 10, right?
No, no, no. So we have yesterday in the session I have told them, because see, to now I'm going to solve, so therefore it's no meaning to keep open mock till night. So yesterday enough time was given. From yesterday I think 3 o'clock or what time I think, roughly around 3 o'clock to till 3. I mean today till 3. So total 24 hours it was open. But you can still try, no? I mean, what is there? I mean, you treat like this is mock and you just try to solve. Don't look at the answer and try to solve the questions. Discussion that.
Sir,
Yeah.
is this any effect for the marks?
No, no, no. Mock
आज
is
सुबह में मैंने
uh,
देखा था तो सोचा शाम में करूंगा
no, but
तो
we
शाम
have
में
sent mail to everyone. I mean, you might have missed, but we sent mail to everyone. I mean, okay, they are releasing mock and try to solve.
स्टेट और इंग्लिश का किया था लेकिन सिटी का
Okay, but still you can try as a mock, no? I
ओके
will make, maybe I can make like a practice assignments type of things. No, that will work.
ओके
Okay, so let me share my screen. Yeah, so my screen is visual, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, so tell me the question number. Firstly, like do you want me to also revise the concept of list and dictionaries? I think two of the lectures I
सर
have taken.
क्विक रिकैप सर
I mean,
The recap of week 5 and 6.
list.
Sir, even dictionaries.
So mostly the station related problems seems to be quite confusing, sir. If we could revise the trains and
Yeah, so I think it will be good that if I solve through, I mean,
The
I will
concept
explain.
explanation, I think it's because we can watch the lectures already recorded, sir.
yeah,
Yeah, so
So
that's
no need to
right.
repeat the same concept.
So I will also try to cover most of the concepts while explaining the questions what I have asked in mock. Because see that lectures, I think if you see the last week, Monday or Tuesday, I have taken that session, a special session, and other one is a Friday session. If you see that the list and dictionaries are covered, so if you have any doubt related to the concepts of list and dictionary, please watch that two lectures. It is in the playlist of CT, computational thinking. Please try to watch. I mean, list will be covered in the special sessions, which will be appearing at the last of the playlist. And for the dictionaries, the Friday session, where I have discussed initial, I mean, first half an hour or 1 hour about the dictionaries in much more details. So if you watch that one, most of the doubts will be clear. If you have some doubt while explaining the questions for mock paper, I will try to cover. No, that will be good, I think. Otherwise, if I start explaining the concepts of mock and dictionary, many of the guys you have watched or you have attended that session. Therefore, it will be just a time waste for others. What do you think, guys? What should I do? Should I start for the mock paper questions, or should I start with the concepts of list and dictionaries?
Mock paper, sir, please. Mock
So
paper.
start the mock
Mock
paper
paper,
and
sir.
revise the theory related to the question.
Okay. Okay, then. So it will be good that I will start with the mock. So tell me the question numbers. Mock question paper numbers, which I should explain in much more details. But I will go through the one by one also. But let me know the
Question number 5.
question number 5. Okay, then.
And the sixth question, I think.
Okay, then.
Sir, in this session, we will discuss the concepts, or you will clear only the doubts.
No, I will try to discuss the concepts as well while explaining the questions. If you have if you want to really revise the concept of list and dictionary, I have covered already that one. Please watch that one. Because if I start explaining list and dictionary, I will miss perfect. I will not have time to explain
It's
the.
not from quiz 2, sir, but from graded assignment 5. Like, I have doubt in question number 6 at the end. Can you solve? Graded assignment 5.
Week 5 graded assignment telling which one?
Question 6, sir.
Okay. Then
Question 3,
sorry.
mock question 3, sir. And
3 and that's all.
So practice assignment week 5 question 9.
Question 9. Okay. Others? Sola?
Mock paper question number 9 also.
so, question 12, sir, of mock.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
12 to 14, sir, question.
Okay, 12, 14, and 14.
And
Mock
question 4 also, sir.
Okay. Then
The practice assignment week 6 question 7 to 8.
week 6.
There's a practice assignment. Question 7 and 8.
7 and then okay. Okay then. That's all?
Sir,
Yeah.
can you explain train list? I'm not able to do any question of train list.
Okay, so I think some of the question I have asked in the mock, which is based on train data set. So while explaining, I will try to explain the train data set question. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, actually, it's not sure of this mock for 2 deadlines, so I have not attempted it. Will it be considered for the final score?
Sorry.
Sir, I was not aware of the deadline for mock 2. So will it be considered for the
No. So just for your
Yeah.
practice.
okay?
Yeah, so Anamika, while explaining the train based questions, data based questions, let me know if you are still doubt after explaining that questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ट्रेन लिस्ट में डाउट है सर.
Kisme?
ट्रेन लिस्ट वाले.
Okay, I will explain that one. Okay. That's all, no?
Yeah, move to 3 to 5, sir. I already told 3 to 5.
Yeah, it's already there, na?
Yeah.
Good.
Week 6 practice assignment, third question also.
So week 5 practice assignment, third question.
Week 5 practice session. So you guys are not attending PA session? Hello.
So it becomes difficult to attend along with college works also. Maybe when there's an exam, it becomes
But,
difficult to attend.
Excuse me,
But
sir.
your college have timing till 10, 6 to 10 night.
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. हाँ,
I'm
so
Soham.
हाँ बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे तो 6 to 8 कोई टीएस सेशन नहीं है एंड 6 to 8 आप ले रहे हैं एंड 8 to 10 ऋषिता ले रही है आज.
Yeah.
ओके ठीक है.
Yeah, so I'm telling guys, like, see, we have TA session from 6 to 8. Sorry, 6 to 10 daily almost. Whenever we have session, then there will be only one session, either 8 to 10 of TA. So please attend that sessions also, no? If you have any doubt related to this. I mean, that will be like, you will have a lot of time to ask your doubt in that period. I don't think so any college runs between 6 to 10 evening. No, but still, I will try to explain these questions as well. Don't worry, but let me, the first priority is given to these questions. Okay. Yeah, so I start with the question number 3. Okay, good. So I have PDF.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, these solutions are uploaded, sir. Which to mock paper?
Yeah.
So why you, sir, again solve?
No, some might have missed the key concepts. I mean, just today we have released.
Okay,
you understood all the solutions?
Yes, sir. Video solutions are also available.
Used to.
Yes, sir. Video also available for these questions.
Yeah. So that's why I'm telling, like, those who are still having doubts, so solutions, video solutions are actually also available. So which is not mentioned, or I will try to cover some key concept in that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
They can watch these things, like, solution is also there, video solution is also there. Okay then. So in this question, we have see the video solution of this thing. So you can actually go to the YouTube drive, on the drive, and you will be able to watch the solution. Okay. Yeah. So first question was which one? Third one. Okay, good. So first, I don't think anybody is having doubt in question number first. No, everybody is clear on this, no? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah, question number 2 is also clear for everyone. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have question number 3, which is let us see what is happening here. So yeah, so this is 2 trains are called opposite trains. So the question is that 2 trains are called opposite trains when, so there is some condition. The question number 3 now. Yeah. So 2 trains are called opposite trains if they stop at the same set of station but in reverse order. What do you mean by reverse order? I tell you in some time. So there is a procedure called is opposite, which has parameters, 2 parameters. So this procedure is called by 2 parameters, which are the parameters you are having N1 and N2. Returns true if if trains with the train number N1 and N2 are opposite, and false otherwise. So I mean, if like N1 is there, let us see train N1, which starts from somewhere. Let me see what it is saying like this from the question itself. Then I will write. Actually, the example is also written, so I don't want to write other than this. So let me read all the sentences of the given question. So, yeah. So false otherwise, yeah. Till here, I don't understood. then it is saying that trains is a dictionary. Okay, so it is given that you have a something called trains, which is a dictionary. How the dictionary looks like? With a train number as a key, map to the list of a station which that trains runs through. So trains is a dictionary in which train number is a key, and this train runs from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi through the stations which are the Balasore, Adra, Varanasi, Kanpur, like that. So you have a dictionary called this one, in which you have a list of stations. So here are the train number which is given, and corresponding values are the list which stores the list of station through which this train passes through. Okay, so like Bhubaneswar is there, then you have Balasore is there, then you have like that. It goes till where? New Delhi. Clear?
Train is running from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi via Balasore, Adra, or Varanasi, Kanpur.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Yes, yes. Like another train is there, something called this one, and it starts from Chennai. It goes to, let us say, Kerala, Kochi. So it goes to where it will go to Vellore, then in which so many stations will come, and then it will reach to Kochi, like that. So everybody understood how your dictionary trains will look like.
Yes, sir.
And this is not this is you can directly see how you can see. I mean, if you go to the trains data set, where is the train data set? We have to look the data through train wise. So, see, this is the train, no? Actually, yeah, 12281. It is going through Bhubaneswar, Balasore, Adra, Varanasi, Kanpur, New Delhi. Next train number, something called 12260. It goes from Bikaner to Kolkata through Sri Dungragad, Ratnagad, Ratangad. So your train dictionary will look like this. Any doubt till here? No,
No,
na?
sir.
No,
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now, in this example, that will start from, okay, yeah, this is just, okay. So this is a multiple select question. So you are supposed to find what? You have to find the fill in the blanks part. And for what? So two trains are said to be opposite trains if they stop at the same set of stations, but in reverse order. What do you mean by reverse order? So like that 12281 train is there. Another train is such that the first stoppage is here. What was the Bhubaneswar? Then the another train such that N1, let us say N1 you have 122.
train enters Bhubaneswar, one train departs from Bhubaneswar. Right?
Yes, yes. So just in a reverse order, like N1 is starting from
Opposite trains from New Delhi to Bhubaneswar.
yeah, through this direction. Like it 12221 is going like this, then another train which if wanted to tell the opposite train, N2 should go through New Delhi, then this is then Balasore, then Bhubaneswar, like that. So this will be the last station or terminal for the N2, whereas this will be the first station or starting station for the train number N1. So did you understand the concept of opposite train? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we have to look at the for simplicity. For simplicity, I tell you what to do. First, let us read the code how it is done. So as you see that is opposite is a procedure. I am hearing background noise. Can you please mute?
Sir, can you please zoom the question?
What about now? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Clear.
Yeah. So you have procedure called is opposite entry. I mean the parameters N1 and N2. So you have called through parameters N1 and N2. So these are the same numbers. Suppose that you have a 122 80. I think this will be opposite train. I just tell you. If you see that 12280 somewhere it is there, just can you see there? Can you find? Just scrolling down. 12280. Not there. Where should be?
Imagine a new train.
There should 12281. So 12282 something should be there. So which comes through, I mean which goes through New Delhi to Bhubaneswar. As I'm trying to show here.
12270 from New Delhi to Bhubaneswar, I think. No.
Okay, let us, it's not there, but you should you just assume, I mean, there is a train. And there are two trains actually. Okay.
Sir, above it's there. One.
Is there, no? 12281. So 122, either 82 or 80. There it will be there.
Sir, 82 is there at the bottom.
Bottom. Where is that? 172.
Sir, more up, bit up. Yes, on the left side.
Left side, 12282.
Can you scroll down, sir? Scroll down. Bus.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, can you see this guy? This train is going. Yeah, there are just opposite. Can you see this? Right.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so your let us say train number. This is the two. So Indian train system. Let's try. Yeah. Okay. So now we have to call. So we have to check that N1. Are they opposite train? If it is here, it should return what? True. So let us see that. So L1 is what? What you are trying to do? L1 you are storing the value of what? L1 will be what? Can you see the trains of N1? And what do you think it will be the value? Tell me.
Just hold the numbers of the train.
No, it will store the list of the
This is the stations through
stations through which train number N1 passing through. That is what, no? This is the key for the train.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
And L2 I tell you. L2 will be, sorry.
It's just the opposite of that.
Yeah. L2 will be again trains of N2. It will be like New Delhi.
New Delhi to Bhubaneswar.
Sorry, New Delhi. Then you have trains.
Is this there in the card, or is it because of the procedure we are taking the
It is there in the card, or it is actually a procedure. It is actually a possibility also. It can be. I mean, you can see in the card I have also shown you. I mean, so can you see this? This train 12282 and 12280. Can you see this? 81. Sorry. They are opposite. Yeah. If it is not, I tell you all the cases. Let us say you have considered the two trains which are actually the opposite trains. Opposite in the sense it is in the reverse order.
Yes, sir, got it.
Passing through it reverse order. Okay. Yeah. So what do you have done? L1 and L2 we have a stored. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, hello. Okay. So now you are checking. Let us say, I mean, if length of L1, you can see that when you will see the opposite train simply, if number of stations passing through that train N1 and N2 will be same, then it will check further in that the trains stations are same or not. If length is different, what do you mean by that? In L1 train number N1 has stopped more number of stations and N2 has stopped at less number of stations. Obviously, that will be not called as opposite.
Also, yes, sir.
So that before checking, you should check the length of the trains, the length of this list, and this list is about the number of a station at which train number N1 and for the N2 stops. So this is not same. Obviously, it should return false because this will be these two trains will be not called as opposite trains. Agree? So if it is, so let us say, so this is, let us say both have same number of stations, therefore length of the this list and this list are same, therefore it will not go to the this, because this will be coming false, it will come to the line number 7. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the line number 7, where you are iterating. Iterating for what? So L1 is not in PT. This I will tell you why it is given there. I tell you for the termination. It is actually. So okay. These are actually both and operator. If both are true, then you are supposed to. Yeah. So L1.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Is it?
Sir, your voice is very low.
Very low.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it is.
Okay.
No?
It's okay.
It comes goes like sometimes it's okay, but sometimes it gets too low.
I think internet is fluctuating here. I mean, on IIT from the evening itself. I think from 4 to 5. I don't know why. If
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening.
Sir, in my dashboard or in my wherever the week 1 content is delivered or where the mock test is delivered, there I haven't seen this mock test to be the questions, only the solutions are available, not the questions that I
Yeah.
have to solve.
Yeah. So that was open till 3 o'clock. I should be making as a practice assignment once we release the solution. So I will do that one after this session. Give me 2 minutes. Let me.
And also, sir, when I submit the practice assignment yesterday, when I was doing it, it always shows the answer.
Yeah, in case of practice assignment.
No, not the practice, the mock test one, sir. When I was uploading it, it was just showing the answer.
Oh.
Yes, it is for practice purpose only. So
No. Yesterday I was submitting the CT assignment. The CT had the time till today, right, at 10 o'clock.
In the mock paper, it was showing answer.
In the mock paper, yes, sir. It was showing the answer. Like when I pressed the submit button, it was showing the green light, whichever was wrong or right, whatever. The way it is, the way it shows on the practice, it was showing the same thing. So how to submit in that case?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But sir, in my it was not means there was no option for means entering or for visiting this mock test for quiz 2.
If you want, if you want, sir, CT still has time, right? It's going to be submitted till 10 o'clock today. If you want, I can show you right now also by sharing the screen. When I press submit button, it just pops up the answers and everything.
The option is only not available, sir.
The options are?
The option is only not available to open the mock test.
Oh, in your case, right? In my case, it's
yes.
Oh yeah. In my case, it is showing the options. Like I am able to open that assignment, but the problem is when I submit it, it just goes away.
Yeah,
now
I was trying to make now practice. So it was actually yesterday also the case of practice type of question, no? Mock paper.
Shall we just go
Sir,
to
it
the
was a
solution?
mock test. So it was showing the mock test, and the rest it's after it is showing the answer. Of course, it becomes a practice assignment only.
Acha. Okay, I that may be some confusion was it, but
I think we should continue.
Yeah, I am continuing just because.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Yeah, I have to solve so many questions, so please. Yeah. So what I was trying to say.
Can you also briefly explain the second question, sir? Sorry.
The condition, while condition, sir.
This one.
Yeah. Well, There should be, the list should not be empty. That means there should be some stations in between. It means between the first station and last.
Yeah, just give me a second. Why it is there? So this is actually a termination condition. Till what time I should we keep checking? So that's why it is there. So yeah. So first of all, come.
Your voice is slow, sir. I can't hear.
My voice is slow.
Now okay. Now okay, sir.
Actually goes away, sir. Sometimes it just goes away.
Yeah, please. Yeah. So what am no interruption in between, please, for 2 minutes. Yeah. So what I'm trying to see here, I mean, I'm trying to tell here that for some time just leave this statement, only concentrate for this one. So what I'm trying to check here, when a first of L will be checked with the last of L2, no? Because see, when L1 and L2 will be called as a opposite train, when this one will be the reverse order, meaning this one will be the last of L2 and this will be the first. So and this will be the second last for or this one train number L2. So it's just a reverse order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for that is for that I am checking the first of L1 should be last of L2. If it is then what you are supposed to do? This comparison is done, no? And this comparison is done. So what you are supposed to do from this one, you have to remove this element. For that, what it will do? Rest of L1. That is what it is done. So L is replaced with now rest of L1. And in this case, this one should be removed. For that, what you will do? A function is called init. Leave the last element of the given list and remaining will be in this. So that is what it is done.
Sir,
now,
so what does rest function do?
And is this your first class?
No, sir.
Yeah, so rest function, it does that you in a given list, you have to leave the you have to leave the first element and remaining it should be written. So like L1 is there, no? So you have checked this. First of L1 is BH and last of L2 is also BH. So this is also true. L1 is not an empty list. So obviously this is true and this is also true. You can see that Bhubaneswar and Bhubaneswar both are same. Therefore, it will go inside or what it will do. So now the latest L1 will be what? Rest of
everything except Bhubaneswar.
Rest will become what? From here.
Except
L2 also will be everything except.
And L2 will be what? Init of
except Bhubaneswar.
Everything Bhubaneswar.
New Delhi. Except
you are supposed to leave the last element. So here you are supposed to copy, Control V. This is what it does, rest and int function. So now we have a updated list. Now again you will compare with what? This one and this one.
This one, yes, sir.
Last of. So this one goes till when?
Until
it is becoming empty.
It will go till the last station. That is, it will go till ND.
Yeah, like you have reached till here when L1 is becoming now rest of. So L1 became now what? Let us say you have you came here till you have only this one ND, New Delhi here. Sorry, New Delhi. At that time, what will be the value of rest of this one?
This is rest of.
And L2 will be the init of
when you are going for the last one.
That New Delhi only, sir.
Init of, so it will also be ND only.
ND only, yeah.
Sir, I have a question. If init has just one element, let us assume in this case ND. So what is the init of, if there is in a list, if there is just one
what I have written now, that is what I have written now. So what is, so now how many elements we have? So till here you have reached here and L1 became this one. L1 became only you have this one. That is what I have written, ND. And L2 became what is that?
ND
ND again, sorry, ND, and you have checked here, means you have checked here ki L1 is not an empty. Yes, first of L1 is what? ND, last of L2 is what? ND. So what you will go? You will go inside, no? And you are going inside, and what you are trying to do?
We'll try to check, then we'll store.
Now we have to update the value of L1 and L2, and L1 is what? Rest of L1. Rest of L1. So what do you think it will be? Empty list. And what about L2?
It also empty list.
Empty, sir.
Empty list, because a rest function, what it does, it will leave the first element, and remaining will be, it is returning. Remaining is what? Just an empty list. In it is what? Remaining, leaving the last element, and remaining it will be returning, which is an empty. So
L1 will become empty. So
both are becoming empty. Both are becoming empty, no? Can you see this? Hannah?
Yes.
Yeah. So now again check. L1 is empty. True or false? L1 is empty. So empty is
True, sir. True.
false. This is false. No. L1 is actually empty. So empty is not equal to empty. Means 0 is not equal to 0. True?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So
It is not. It is false, sir.
therefore it is false.
Yeah.
So it will not go inside. So that's why, can you see this? This one was for the termination of this loop. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Therefore, now it will come here, and now we have to check. So L1 is equal to empty. After doing this, all the iteration, L1 became empty. So what do you think it should return?
True.
True. Otherwise, false. If it is
False.
not empty, it should return false. Because in some between, if it is, let us say this one is not same, obviously there will be some element in L1. Because
why L1 is empty, it should return true?
Because you have read all the elements, and till there you have satisfied this one. You have satisfied for each and every case. That's why you reach to the every element of L1. Did you understand? Then you will be able to make L1 empty, no? If this is not true for any one of the element, do you think you will reach to the empty?
No, sir.
Understand what I'm trying to say, guys?
Yes, sir, got it.
So once
Sir, after all the condition gets executed, and at the end, when L1 becomes empty, we have to execute those 4 lines.
Yeah, now we have to check that now what will be the situation. So for this procedure is saying that it returns true when N1 and N2 are opposite, and this L1 and L2 become opposite only when then L1 and L2, train number N1 and N2, sorry, L1 and L2 actually here contains the elements in reverse order. That is nothing but an opposite train concept, what it is explained here. And therefore, so once it is becoming empty, then it should return true. So either L1 is empty or L2 is empty, because L1 and L2 here treated for which are the L1 and L2 both are same, no? I mean the length actually.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, if it is not length, from there itself it is returning false. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Got it? What I'm trying to say here.
Yes, sir. Got
It
it.
is not
Yes,
same.
sir.
If it is not same, from there itself it will not read further. Can you see this? From line number 5 itself it will return true. If it is length is same, now it will come and check. If this will be true for till when L1 and L2 is becoming empty, means all the elements are actually in the reverse order of train L1 and L2. Actually, list L1 and L2. If in any between, if this is becoming false, at that time length of these two guys will be not becoming empty. That you agree or not? No? Yes or no?
Yes.
If no, then I can give you
Yes,
one.
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It become empty, sir.
So L1 is empty, then it should return true, or L2 can also. This is false, no? Because for empty it is saying that it is false. This is also true. Either L1 and L2 both are becoming false, empty at the same time. So this can be also the correct answer. So option number A and C is the
A
correct.
and C.
A and D, sir. A and D.
Yeah, actually it is returning false, obviously. So option number D, returning true for the empty. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
After it returns true, what? Where will the line go?
After returns true. It is just you have called this procedure. I mean.
Oh, okay, sir. Got it.
This is not a main code. This is a part of the code where I am trying to explain one of the procedure.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Sir, in question number 1.
Question number 1.
Is key D. Can you explain this is key? I'm little confused.
Which one?
Is key.
Is key what it does? If there is a key in this given dictionary D, then this will return what? True. If this is not a key in the given dictionary, then it will return false. So what is where is the dictionary? You have D. D is there. Name
Okay.
is,
one is the key, no, sir?
Is key or not? Anamika?
No, sir.
Yes.
No,
It is
sir.
checking.
So name is key.
Value, sir.
Yeah, actually what is happening, and this is not a simple dictionary. This is a nested dictionary. Can you see this? There is a key, another key is there. So this is how many elements are in there in dictionary D?
1.
One. So obviously this is returning what? False. But what if it is written is key? Where is that? Yeah. If it is written is key D1, then
true.
Then what it will return?
It
will
return true.
Anamika?
Sir, clear.
Clear, no?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. What if we wanted to extract the age or like name John? What if we wanted to extract John, sir? In that case, what would we have to write the function?
Which one? Is key.
No, sir. Like in the same question, like in the dictionary, if you want to extract the name John from the data from the dictionary, what do we write? So we have to extract John.
You have to write like this only, no? So first of all, you have to extract John. So this is in which dictionary? In this one, no?
One dictionary one.
This is the value of given key. So this will be 1 and
John.
Sorry.
Then again, next square bracket name.
Name, sir.
D1.
Square bracket name.
If you write D1, can you copy and paste? You need to be fine. Yes. So now D1 is there. Now if you want to extract this guy, so further you have to write what? In the given dictionary, this is your dictionary. You have to extract John. So you have to write E, and therefore it will give the value.
Oh, all right, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, clear now?
Is key, the option is false. Am I, did you say this, sir?
Which one? Is key.
Yes. B. The option is false.
Sir.
Right, sir?
Sir,
So can you once explain
your voice is gone.
C option?
This will be false.
Sir, your voice is not here.
My voice is not
Can you answer
It's
question
coming.
2, sir?
clear.
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah,
clear.
Yeah, so it will return false. Everybody agree on this?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm moving
Sir?
to huh.
Can you
Sir,
just explain the
If
C?
D1, if you write
Sorry.
D1 and John, it will return John only, na sir. Why
D1.
we should have to write the name? Because name is not a key, na sir. It's a value.
No, name is the key for this
Means
dictionary.
if we write
This dictionary is the value of for the D1. Can you see this?
yes, sir. Yes. D1 is a key, sir. One is a key, na sir.
Yeah, but this is not a simple dictionary. This is a nested dictionary. Dictionary is inside dictionary.
Okay, right, sir.
This is another dictionary, no?
In that name is a key, na, sir?
Yes, so that is what I have written. No, so can you see that D1? First of all, D is your this one. Then D1 is another dictionary in which you have to access this one. So you have to use the key for this one. That is what I have written, name. So this is a dictionary in which key is what? Name, and corresponding value is John. Okay, so this is a nested dictionary, not a simple dictionary. Okay. No? Hello? It's clear?
So, what is a nested dictionary?
Dictionary inside dictionary.
inside dictionary.
So one and name are both are keys, na, sir, here in nested dictionary. First, one is also key and name is
Okay,
also
sir.
key in
Yes.
So, can you please explain
One
number
name
12?
is gender, all are keys.
Yeah, one is also a key. Name is also a key for dictionary D1. And one is a key for dictionary D. But name, age, and gender is a key for dictionary D1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's all. Okay. Yeah, so question number.
Move to next
Question
question.
number 12, can you please explain?
Which one?
12.
Yeah, I will go. So I'm going through like this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this.
Okay. Sir, can you also solve question 2?
Question 2 also.
Sir, you go through all the
Sir.
questions
Yes,
because
sir.
they
Better.
interrupt
But
in
also
between
Sir,
the.
is the session recorded, sir? Because like if you
yeah, it
solve
will
all
be
the.
available on YouTube.
Oh, all right, sir. Then yes.
Okay.
I think it's better you discuss all the questions, sir. So.
Yes, sir. I think we going serially is the best.
But these are easy questions. I mean, also solutions are there. Means if you see this detailed
Yes,
solution.
sir. So, question number 12 is a bit tricky.
Yeah, I will explain that one. Yeah. Just give me a
It's
second.
progressively getting tougher, sir. Like the questions, like the first few ones are easy, but like as you
These
get.
questions required many times, sir.
Sorry.
These questions required many time to solve.
Okay. Yeah. So what is happening here? Just quickly go through that. So you have given N1, and please don't talk in between. What I'm trying to say, just listen. 1, 2, 2 till 50. Okay. Now we are going through A. A is equal to what? Sum list. Sum list, what it does. So sum list is a procedure. And sorry. And it is accessed through one parameter called N1. So my voice is clear. Yeah. Yeah. So
मूवी देख ली है ना स्क्रीन का पिछला देख ली है ना
Akhil Sharma, can you please mute? Listen, guys, please mute. No, if you're talking. Chalo. Yeah. So as you call this one, you have to look at where line number from 13. So what it does, out list, it creates another empty dictionary, and new list is equal to X. So X will be stored. I mean, as you call this guy, you have another empty, and new list will be X. X is what? Nothing but your
N.
what? N, no?
Yes.
Chalo. Now you are going through this, you are checking why length of new list is greater than 0. Obviously, if you are going first time, and how many elements
So
are
what is new list? Could you please explain again?
new list is equal to X, and X is what? Whatever the value you have called N
Okay, sir.
will be X. So that is what it is, X, nothing but N. Now you are calling this guy, and yeah, you have called, and now you are checking, you are iterating through the elements of the new list. It is checking length is greater than 0. Obviously, you are going first time, and you have 50 elements greater than, yes, true. So you have to just understand the pattern, what it is happening here. So out list will be what? Out list will be empty list plus in which what you are adding, first of new list.
One.
First of new list is what?
1.
Yeah. So if I say first of new list, what do you think the value will be?
1, sir.
1.
So this will be 1. So now we have outlist 1. Now
दो लल्ला से भाई पढ़ा है पढ़ना
कोई नहीं मैं आप ही कर दूंगा अरेंजमेंट बस
समझ भी तो आना चाहिए
पढ़ना तो पड़ा वो
yeah. So new list will be what? How many times you are calling this guy? How to access this type of composite function? You have to look at from the first.
2 times, sir.
Except 1 and 2, sir. All the.
Yeah, listen, just a minute. Yeah, rest of new list. So rest of new list, what it does, it leaves the first element and then copy. Means it leaves the first element and this will be your new of rest of new list. But it is again called another new list. So again, it will also leave the 2 also. So it will be from 3. So new list will become from
3
to 50. Agree? Can you see this?
Yes.
Now again, now we will check that it is greater than 0. Yes, you have left how many elements? 2 elements. So you have still 48. Now again, outlist is outlist plus first of list. So your outlist will become what it will become? Tell me.
1,3.
1,3.
sir.
Agree, no? So it will keep going.
No, sir. No, sir. Outlist will become 3, 5, 7, 9.
Why?
So it is saying outlist is our first of new list. So new list is 3 starts from 3.
When you go first time, what will happen? I mean, as you call this sum list n a. Can you see this? So n will be what? From 1 to 50, no? So 1 to 50 new list. Now you are checking length of new list is greater than 0. Yes. Now odd list, empty list plus first of new list. New list is still this one, no? Am I correct, no?
Yes.
So first of this will be only first. It will start from the first, no? No?
The new list will be 3, 250.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this will be 1, 3 outlist. So it will keep going till it will reach
49.
It is becoming empty. So how your A will look like?
Odd numbers, sir.
1,
1,
6,
3,
5, 7, like this, no?
Odd number. Till 49.
Till 49. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now you are
Yes.
calling. Now again, so the return value will be going to the A. That is what I have written. Now we have called with this guy, and this guy you have called with what? Sum list. So I just let me write sum list. Your dictionary. Sorry, your input parameter was like the 1, 2, 3, like this to 50. And the return value was this one, no? Hai 1, 3, 5, 7, only odd numbers. Now we are calling rest of n. So it will start from where? Tell me.
So 3.
3, comma?
4, 5, 6, up to 50.
To 50. Agree. So what do you think it will return?
3, 5, 7.
List of odd number from 3 to 49.
Like that, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Everybody
Yes.
is clear on this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I did not understand the outlist part, sir. Outlist. New list and outlist part, sir. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 4, 9. Like when you called up the procedure, sir.
See, you have called. This is your procedure, no?
Yes, sir.
Just now I have explained that how sum list is how that procedure sum list will work. So what it does actually, you have input n, which will be directly coming and it will be copied to new list. Agree? So that is what I have written. New list is equal to x, and x is nothing but your, when you call it will be n, no? So n is this one when you are calling for the a. Now you are iterating through that and you are checking the length. Obviously, you are going first time, it will be greater than 0. Out list will be out list. So initially it was empty plus first of new list. First of new list will be what? 1.
1.
That is what I have written. Empty list plus 1, it will be 1. Now new list you have, what you have is rest of rest. So 2 times you have to do that. Therefore, you will remove the first 2 elements of the given list. Which one? New list. And it will be a start from then 3, 5, 3, 4, 5 like that. Again, you will go. It will be copy first of new list. 3 will come. So 1, 3. It will be added. 3 will be added. So it will.
So it will.
We are only accessing the which element? Odd elements, because you are doing this one. Twice you are using rest function. Everybody is clear on this? No?
Still it will remove till last remaining element will be 49 and 15, sir, and it will remove that also.
Yeah. Yes. So at that time, length will become
0.
Length will become what? 0, no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So do you think 49 will come, guys? I don't think so. Yeah, I see. Good doubt. So when it become 47, no. So
3, 1, 2 gone, sir. 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what if it is having every time it has to remove 2 elements? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
50
1
divided by
will
2.
be there, sir.
Sorry. Tell, no. Hello.
What sir, what will it be?
What happened? No, I'm still here. I'm trying to say that when we have a last element, last 2 elements. I mean,
48 and 50.
48 is there. I mean, no, not 48. I mean,
So only 48 alone cannot be there, sir. The initial number always has to be odd.
yes. Yeah, 49, it should be 49, 50 is there. Yeah, 49, I think it should come, no? And then, yeah.
Yes, sir, because we are in. Because, sir, it will remove 47 and 48.
Yeah. So
and 49.
Yeah, 49 and 50 will be there now. So it will check length is greater than 0. Yes, 2 are there. So what it will add? First of fail. So it will add 49. Okay? And in 49.
After this, the new list will become empty.
There will be no iteration because it will remove 2 elements. So it will become empty. And therefore, at that time, it will not iterate and it will return out list. It's correct actually. Till 49 it will come. Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now we are going through the now we have out list, something called out list, and out list is what? Empty. You have initialize with no.
Yes, sir.
For each y in A.
Sir, your voice is gone.
Voice is. What about now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it's still.
Yeah. So for each y in A, when you go first time in A, what is the value? What is the value of y? You will have 1. Correct, no? And for each z in B. So when you go first time, what is the value of z you will have? 3, na?
5, 7, 9.
So
Yes,
3.
sir.
So if it is checking that if z is equal to y. So do we think that for given value of y, which is 1, for any time it will be becoming same as, because it is starting from 3.
False.
It will never. So for none of the case it will go through this one. So y will be not appended to out list, means 1 is not appended to out list. So it will come now again for the Next y.
Sir,
Huh.
that B list, sir, it is storing only odd values, sir.
Yeah.
In that processing where we did, sir, just to store the odd values.
This one I have extended twice, man. From here.
Yes, sir. But here we are doing. Here we were doing that. We will remove na, sir. There will be only 49 left last.
Here or here.
So
See, this did you understand that how the value of A and B will be 1, 3, 5, and B will start from 3?
Yes, I understood, sir.
So now I'm coming here. So wait, no. Yeah, so now Z will be Z in V. That is what? So it will go through that. Z will be 3, then 5, then 7. It will go till where? Till where? 49?
Yes,
And do you think that it will be same as this condition will be for any case? Sorry. For any case, do you think that this will be true? No, because Z is starting from 3. For none of the case, none of the value of B in Z will be becoming 1. Because it is a starting from 3 and it is the increasing order, ascending one. Hana? So it will be not same. So for Z, y is equal to 1, you will not access this one. A statement. So now for this is the closing statement. Now we have to go for the next element of A, which is y is equal to 3. Now again Z in B. So again you are a new beginning. So you have to start from first element of B, and it will start from Z from where? Z will be
1.
E. And the first time itself Z is equal to Y. 3 is equal to Y. What it will do? At least
Sir, will it not, sir? Sir, will it not check? Sir, will it not check? 3 will not check with 1 first?
No, it checked no first time. So you are iterating through B. See, this is outer loop, this is inner loop.
Yes, sir. Outer loop. Let's say, sir, in outer loop, if I take 3, will keep 3 as a constant, and after that we'll go through each and every element of B. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
So in B we have 1 also, right, sir?
Where we have 1?
Oh, we don't have. Right, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. So odd list will become what?
3, sir.
Empty plus
3, 5, 7, 9 till 49.
3.
Yeah. Please compare with the inner loop, no, sir.
So do it. Yeah.
So can you just show the option once?
Yeah, just give me a second. Give me a second. So the answer will be, sir, can you think that except 1, all the element will be same as B? I mean, it will have. So your answer will be like this, same as B, I think. So outlist will be
3, 5, 7, 9.
yeah. Answer will be same as 3, 5,
7. Yeah.
There.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Answer is there like this. Yeah, answer D is there. Did you understand how it is happening? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will see, you will fix this element and you will iterate through each and every, which is happening in the inner loop. Outer loop is responsible for iterating the element of A. Inner loop is responsible for iterating this one. So when you have a y is equal to 1, you will check any Z is 1 or not. Obviously, there is no 1. So it will not add into the outlist. When y will become 3, obviously the first element itself is this one. You will add. Next y will be 5. Second element is 5. So it will keep adding. So therefore, these all elements except the 1 are present in list B. Therefore, all the elements of B will be present in outlist. That is the answer you have in T. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, so we'll move to the next.
That B list, sir, we kept the values of the odd numbers now, sir. Means we were doing here iteration for the first of the rest of the elements. Means we were removing 1 and 2 and we are keeping 3. We are removing 3 and 4. We are keeping 5. So, sir, we were storing these 3, 5, 7, and 49 in the sum list, na, sir?
Yeah, not sum list. Sum list is a procedure. So you have called this procedure with this input and it will return with the element out list. And out list here now you have called. So that will be copied to B. Now we have another out list which you have made it as an empty list. Now it will iterate through. So the here out list and this out list is different.
So sir, just I got confused. How this we kept the values of 3, 5, 7, and 49 separate?
So how did he call this guy? Can you see this? You have called with 3, 4 from 3. This was called from 1 to 50. This was called from 3 to 50. So which are the odd numbers in this? From 3 it will start, no? 3, 5, 7, 9 to till 49. But in this is 1 is also there, na? Because you have directly called with n, where you are calling with rest of rest. So first 2 elements you have to remove from n, which is from the 3. That is what I have written here.
Yes, sir. Next also we will remove, na, sir.
Hmm?
We should have to keep removing, na?
Yeah, I mean, so one time you have to call, na, that procedure. And in this you have to keep removing in this procedure.
Sir, my doubt, we are calling the procedure in A only. No, sir.
What procedure in?
A, the line number 2, we are calling the value of n means this procedure, this parameter n.
N, yeah.
From this procedure, sir. Some this procedure.
Yeah.
And line number 2, B. This is this n is from the original list, no, sir?
Yes. So line number 2, you have called some list with procedure with the parameter n, which is this one.
Okay, sir.
Line number 3, you have called same procedure, but input is what? Rest of n. And that
Okay,
will
sir.
come what? From 3, no?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Chalo.
Okay.
Yeah, so next question number we have question number 4, no? Or this, I'm still solving question number 2. Oh my god. 3 I have explained, no? Question number 4 is doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you can explain all the questions, so it will be better in order.
But I can see very silly doubts now still coming after taking that question number 4, the concept of list and dictionary. Please watch that one. Yeah. Okay. So next question number 4. Who are having doubt in question number 4?
Sir, I was having doubt.
Okay, only one person. Okay, so the question was the trains via dictionary with train number as a key map to, I think same in the previous in question number 3. This is same. So let me directly copy this guy. Okay, see, you have this one. Okay. So trains is a dictionary in which train number is the key and corresponding values are list of stations through which this train number is passing through. Agree? Sure. Next is what? In this example, okay. Yeah. At the end of execution of the code below, L stores the name of the station through which the maximum number of trains passes through. So L is something called list. Shows the name of the station through which maximum number of trains passes through. So how can you imagine how we can think this one? So the train which will be available or present in most of the in this, that will be the value that will contain this one, no? L.
Sir, for each train, for each station, the maximum number of trains will vary, na?
Yeah,
The maximum number.
and that like that, see, I mean, let us say this is the train number you have. There is another train, something called, sorry, 1445, let us say 1, and it has train numbers, and something called, it is this starting from Varanasi. Varanasi, it goes to Kanpur,
So, sir, we should have to check different keys with the same station.
Like this. The
Yes.
two. So do you think that Varanasi, how many trains are passing through Varanasi here?
2 trains.
2 trains.
Kanpur also having 2 trains. What about Bhubaneswar?
1 train.
1 train.
So I want such station list which has maximum number of trains passing through that. So in this,
Sir, if suppose only one train passes through Bhubaneswar, then Bhubaneswar will also be included in the stations with maximum
that is
train.
the maximum, then yeah.
Okay.
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 Chalo. Then you have to think. So how it is happening here? Just let us see. So stations, what you have done? You have created a. So those who are having doubts in a station-based a train database doubt, just try to see it. So we have created an empty dictionary called STM, stations.
Station.
Now we have n is equal to 0 and L is equal to this guy. Another the list. Okay, so for the case in this you can have Varanasi and Kanpur. Why? Because Varanasi is coming twice in these 2 trains. Can you see this? Hannah? Kanpur as well. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
L is list only, right? Sir?
Yeah. Can you see this? L,
Okay, okay. Sir.
Hannah? Now what you are doing for each X in keys of trains. Keys of trains, what do you think it will give?
For each train.
Station, sir. Is it a
Number, sir?
Sir, for each
Train number.
Train number.
Train number, sir.
Train number.
What it will give, guys?
122
Station name, sir. Station.
and so on. The train number.
It can give in any order. Agree?
Yes,
So
sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
stations is an empty
Sir.
dictionary, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So I'm writing here as the keys of trains. It will return the list of the keys of the dictionary train. Okay. Now we are X is train. Now we are calling STNs stations. We are updating the value of a station dictionary with the something called update dictionary. Hannah? Dictionary with input is a stations itself with the X. So when you go first time, I mean, so X will be what? Here X will be keys of trains. So X will be like your what?
Train number.
Train list of train.
Hannah, list of trains. Only this value. This is your what? List. No, that is what I have written here. So for
Yes,
each loop only I trace our what? List. Remember.
Yeah, it will iterate through each and every train number.
Yeah. So now we have called with the station with the key number is what? Train. Hannah. Now we have called and you are iterating through this one. So now procedure update D comma Z. So whatever the value you have in the station will be copied to do and Z will become X. Now for each train Z. So now can you see this? You have called this procedure and you are coming here and D will become your empty list and Z will become what? Tell me, Z will become what?
The
Train number. Train number. The
Agree.
first train number.
So where I'm currently I'm here. Okay. Now for each trains of Z. So trains of Z should have to become a list. So can you see this? Is it actually a list? Just see trains Z. Z is what?
Train number, sir.
12281.
So now it will iterate through each and every station of this train.
It will be what? Tell me.
It will be stations. It will be iterating through each and every
Bhubaneswar,
station.
Balasore.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is a list, whereas
Yeah. So now you are.
Key is a dictionary.
So when you go first time in this, what is the value of A will have? Tell me.
You 1 2 to 8.
1.
Bhubaneswar.
Hey, who is saying
Bhubaneswar.
1 to 8 1? It will be Bhubaneswar, no?
Bhubaneswar.
Hana. And what it will check? If not is key D comma A. So D in a dictionary D A is what? Your Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar is a key in given dictionary D. No?
No.
Yes or no?
No, sir. Slim.
No, sir.
So this will return what?
False.
False. Not false?
True.
True. So what you will do? Your D
It
will
will
become
update. It will instead against
One.
the Bhubaneswar, it will write 1.
agree. So your dictionary will look like how?
It will look like train number and then
Like
again a dictionary
key
and
will
then
be
Bhubaneswar.
Only this. Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir, if we replace not is key to is key and then we put the D of A equal to 1 in else statement, then what will happen?
If you are replacing not, only there is key.
Yeah, is key is equal to the else statement, and then in the else statement we can put dictionary with key A equal to 1.
So no, so without creating, how you can add one? You are only writing this one. You can.
He's changing the condition also.
You are changing the condition. You are writing if is key D comma A.
Yeah.
And then
else
Key of
statement.
A plus equals 1.
Sorry. Yeah, please wait. Oh, just give me a second. First, let me clear this one, then I will come to your doubt. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, so everybody is clear on this. See, if this is not a key, obviously you are going the first time. So for first time, what you should do for the newer station, you have to create a key and corresponding value. You have to assign 1 because you find one train you have found. No, that's why your Bhubaneswar is in this given list. No, so means one train which is passing through Bhubaneswar, which is 12281. So you have to assign 1. So if you have gone through this one, you are not going to the else part. It will go to the next day. Next day will
Just
be
one doubt regarding the stations correspond to D, sir. Here. Funny line number 4 and 12. Can just
4 and 5. I have called this procedure. I am here currently.
Okay, sir.
I'm running through. Yeah. So what's your doubt actually? What you're saying that here in if what you have?
Sir, if we'll change the not, if we'll delete the not statement in the first if, right?
You are deleting this one, then?
Yeah. Then and we'll change the statement. Now we'll put the statement which is in the else right now.
That is also fine. That is also fine, and in DA will become here also. That is you are
we'll replace. Basically, we'll replacing.
That is also fine.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah. Okay. So this is clear. Now again, next A will be what? Balasore. Obviously, Balasore is not a key. It will again you will assign. So for all the entries for this one, you will have a dictionary will have all this value corresponding will be I just write Control C. I mean you will see that how it will look like. Corresponding value will be is to 1. Did you understand what I'm trying to say here? Is to
Yes,
1.
sir.
Yes.
Is to 1. Is to 1 means first time because you are going through for one entry it will be 1. Is to 1 like this it will be there. Now it will return D. So your value of D will become now this will be copied to a station. So your stations will become now this one STNS stations will become D, which is nothing but your this one. No, agree because you have called with this one. Now when you are going for the another X value because keys of trains you have another entry. This is sorry. Another entry X will be what?
Sir,
Yeah.
just point out in line number 13, trains of Z. What is it
One by
representing?
one. Yeah.
Sir, line number 13, trains of Z. What does it actually mean?
What is actually mean? I have written here.
Yes.
This is what I.
The stations through which
Yeah, this is your trains dictionary in which this is the key. If I write trains of Z, Z is there, this one. So it will. That is what
Okay,
I have
sir,
written.
got it.
Yeah, please be aware whenever I'm writing. Yeah. So next X will be what? 14451. Hana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 14451, and again update dictionary will be now. This will be the value. No, this will be your value. It will go inside, and D will become this time. Sorry, D will be a stations. A stations is this one only. No, the same thing. I mean, did you understand what I'm trying to say here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It will take the D as its parameter, D and X as its parameter.
And now Z will become where what? Z will be
the new station, sir. Bhubanesh, Z will be like
51. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now again you will check for each any Z trains of Z. So again I'm writing trains of Z will be what? So this is little bit time taking, but you have to understand that what it is happening here. So if you understand for at least one case, na, don't need to iterate for each and every case. You will understand what is actually happening inside this loop. So this will again, what will the value you have? This will be the value, no?
Varanasi, Kanpur.
Varanasi, Kanpur.
Now again you will go through that. Now it is saying that for each A trains of Z. So for each A. So A will be what here? Varanasi when you go first time, no? Because trains of Z is a list. This is a list. You are iterating through this loop, no? Sorry. So A will be what? Varanasi. And sorry. What it will do now? Again it will check not D comma A. So D comma A. D is what? This one now. Can you see this? Let me little bit. It's clear, no? It is visual. So what is your D now? This one. Now we are checking D comma
Yes.
A. In dictionary, D Varanasi is a key or not? In dictionary,
Yes, it is a key.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There.
key is there. So this will return as what? True?
True. True.
Not true?
False.
Where it will go?
ND.
Else. Else
L.
not. And what it will?
Else, no.
It will be?
Increment.
Varanasi 2.
2.
See.
Will be 2, sir. Yes.
D of A was previous value was what? 1. 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. So your dictionary D will be, after doing this one, your dictionary will be, corresponding value will become 2.
Basically, it is showing how many stations are there, like how many train is stopping at this station.
Yeah, the same thing. Now, how many trains are passing through that particular station?
Right, sir.
So next will be your A will be what? Kanpur. As for the Kanpur again, for Kanpur, if you would do for this,
Not is key will be false.
sorry,
Sir, again for Kanpur, not is key will be false.
not is key will be overall false. It will go to the Kanpur. It will update by 1 plus 1 will become 2.
2.
That now it will return. So it will keep going, and finally some value will be there. Meaning, so if you see this, yeah, Bhuvnesh. So let us say for iterating all the cards, D for your station, STN. This is the final value you will have, no? and you have iterated through this one. And let us say, sorry, your Bhubaneswar, yeah, coming back to it. Bhubaneswar had, let us say, 5 trains are passing through Balasore, 4, let us say 2, Adra is having 1, Varanasi is, let us say, 8, Kanpur 7, and let us say New Delhi is also 8. This can be the case. Just an example I'm taking. So did you
Yes, sir.
understand what I'm trying to see
So
here?
there might be many more cities, right?
Huh?
There might be many more cities in the
Yeah,
dictionary.
there may be more than this city. For the timing I'm
Yeah,
taking. Huh?
Yes, got it, sir.
So meaning through Bhubaneswar, 5 trains are passing. Through Balasore, 2 trains. Agra only 1. Varanasi 8. Kanpur 7. New Delhi 8. Understand? Now coming back to here, your code. So what was I was supposed to do in this given pseudo code? You have to what you have to fill in the blanks. You have to find. So trains via dictionaries. Yeah. So at the end of execution of the code below, in stores the name of the station through which the maximum number of trains passes. So you have to else. So final value else should return what? Else should have which are the stations? Varanasi and New Delhi, no?
Right, sir.
So do you remember the case of 2 toppers in a class?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody remember 2 toppers in a class? There can be more than 1 topper in a class. Same case. There
Yes, sir.
are 2 toppers, Varanasi
Yes,
and
sir.
Delhi. So for that, you remember how you are. This is the case, no? Remember, you have to check equal to, and which whenever you are seeing the greater value, you have to just think that how you should iterate. That is the case actually. So how you should iterate? Means how you should iterate the value, these values. So iterating these values, first you have to find what?
Go into the station dictionary, and then we'll go into the keys of Bhubaneswar.
A
It will
station,
give you the value.
these things, Bhubaneswar and this. Let me, somewhere it is written there. Yeah. Control C. Control V. So this is your key. Now we are iterating. So iterating through what? Corresponding these value have to check, no? Greater than, less than. So what you have done? Did you initialize or not n somewhere? Yeah, n is 0. Yes. So stations y. So y when you go first time, can you see this for each y is of station. So when you go first time, Bhubaneswar will be there, na? So station of y means Bhubaneswar. What will be the value? 5. Can you see this? Anna, please mute, no? So if it is, so let us iterate through one. Means option number A, and I think this is the correct actually. So when you go first time, y will be what? Bhubaneswar.
Yes, sir.
Anna, Bhubaneswar.
Yes, sir.
And now check if. You have to check the value. So what you have to check? Station y. So station y, if you write, it will become 5, no? This one.
Yes, sir.
And 5 is greater than what? N. N is what? 0. True or false?
True.
Condition?
True, sir.
We have to check this equal to first, no? Yeah. Obviously, this is equal to 0. True or false?
It's
False.
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 Go to inside. Line number 4, we are coming. So if 5 is greater than 0, true or false? True, no?
True.
What you will do? L will become
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar, na?
Yes.
Bhubaneswar, and N will become corresponding value station Y.
5.
Now for the next entry will be what? Balasore, and you will check. So again 2 is equal, so this will be what? 2 is equal to 5. True or false?
False.
False. Not go inside. 2 is greater than 5. True or false?
False.
Okay. So next you have Adra. So again you will check. A station,
Again, false.
a station Adra, what is the value? 1. 1 is equal to 5. True or false?
False.
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 A station Adra will be 1 is greater than 5. False?
False.
So till here, which is the till here, we have read only till 3 elements, no? So till here, which is the max value and corresponding value?
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar. That is what you have a
Bhubaneswar 5.
Anna, Bhubaneswar and 5. As soon as come this one, your max will be also changing, n will be also changing, and the station will be also going to change. No, you see this. So here, a station Y, 8 is equal to 5. True or false?
False.
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 A station Varanasi, 8 is greater than 5. True or false?
It is true. True.
So what you will do here?
Update.
If
Update Bhubaneswar by 1.
Varanasi and NS.
8 is greater than, sorry, 8 is greater than 5 is true condition, and what you will do here? L will become
Varanasi.
Varanasi, and n will become what? Station of
8.
corresponding value is 8. Anna? Agree. Now coming to the next, when y will become Kanpur. So again, 7 is equal to 5. So 7 is equal to 8.
False.
7 is greater than
False.
8.
False.
Now come New Delhi. 8 is equal to 8.
True.
True.
What if we do? L will become L. L was initially this guy. Varanasi.
Varanasi.
है ना?
Varanasi.
Sorry. Plus.
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Y is dot New Delhi.
New Delhi. Yes.
ठीक है ना? So it will become this one.
Combined list.
So this will be
So the option is used for to find when two places or any two elements have the greatest or the least.
yeah. So that's why I told always remember this is the case for finding that if there are two toppers. So you can see maximum marks will be not changing even though, but if you want to know that which are the two toppers, for that it is used. For the lowest one, it should be less than here sign, and you have to initialize n with the maximum possible value for finding the minimum. Lowest, there can be two students also who got the minimum marks, more than one. So remember always, wherever you are supposed to find the two toppers situations, so you have to also find that actually it is asking for that case. You have to so ALS store the name of the station through which maximum number of trains passes through. So same as the two toppers situation, no, guys. That much you have to use your brain, no. So there will be issue with that. It will miss this case. So always this should be first and this should be last. C should be see, this is ulta, it is this is not the case. So obviously the answer will be your A, and this one you have studied so many times. I have put so many times. I don't think so. Only the problem is then if you are able to create a state dictionary, what it is supposed to ask through the question, then half of your problem is over. You have to understand that how your dictionary is actually asked in this question. If you are able to draw, if you are able to write some dummy dictionary with using the dummy data dictionary, then half the problem will be over. You have to only understand then how it is iterating. That's all. Okay. So next problem is what? You have question number 5. Yeah.
Can you just show option 1 for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, question number 5. Question number 5 is actually a good question. How many have tried this one?
Yes, sir.
How about this question number 5?
Yes, sir.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's quite a tricky question. Means you have to understand
Yes, sir.
everything line by line.
Yeah, so you cannot just speak this one any line. I mean, this is actually tricky. But thing is that if you are able to understand again I'm telling, if you are able to understand what the input value is there, means how your input data in this. So and that all things are explained here. Like this pseudocode is based on shopping builds data set. So what is happening here? No, you have two parts, first part and second part. Okay. So in first part, let us see what is happening here. So before that, let us read the question. So at the end of the execution, count pairs should store the list of triples. So list of triples, how it should look like. So there will be list in which the every element will be a list, and in that list there will be 3 elements, and that will be how it should be. It will be written here, means such that every triple has 2 items, and the number of times both items have been purchased together. For example, like if milk and bread have been purchased together 3 times, then the triple would be look like milk bread at comma 3. If it is 1 time, milk bread comma 1. Like that triple it should look like. Understood? So count pairs, it should look like this. Milk, bread, let us say it is purchased 3 times, like this. Another can be case something, tell me. Egg and tell me something, milk, let us say milk. There can be pair also. Let us say it is purchased 5 times. Like that, your count pair should look like. No? Guys? Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
So, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, good. Now, how we can create a pair, that is what it is explained in this para. So the procedure get pair X returns the list of pair of items purchased in card X. For example, like there are 3 items, then it should have how many pairs? So there are 3 items, how many pairs it should be? Number of pairs, what is the formula? Week 4.
3 3C2.
3C2, no?
Yes, sir.
What? N into n minus 1 by 2. So 3 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2 will be what? 3. If there are 5 items, how many pairs it will be?
it's 3.
I mean,
5C2.
you have a what? Where is my shopping bill data set? How many pairs it should be here? Can you tell me? There are 6 items. How many pairs can be formed here?
15.
C.
Say 5, sir.
5 pairs only?
15.
15, no. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 items. So number of pairs formula was what? N into n minus 1 divided by 2.
3.
NC.
6 into 5 divided by 2 will be how much?
15.
15.
15.
Okay. So this part is clear, I think. Now coming back to that. Yeah, so in this also decision, milk bread, yeah, milk sugar, yeah, bread sugar, and sugar. So there will be milk bread, yeah, bread sugar, and milk sugar. If I say milk bread or milk bread and bread milk, are they different pairs?
No, sir.
Same, no? So that's why there is a condition. This condition is checked actually in this also. That's why this is our condition. You will understand what it is, why it is written there. Yeah. So now we have a so two things. We have a yes,
Sir, but for list order matters, right? So
yeah, but list I'm saying that pair, not I'm saying that the list. List obviously it will be different. I'm saying that a pair, like I'm saying that milk and bread, another one pair.
Sir, your voice is too low, sir.
Hello, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear right now.
Sorry. Yeah.
In
Okay.
between the class, sometimes your voice is low.
Yeah, just tell me at that time. Okay. So when I say milk,
Okay,
sugar, and sugar milk, both are same pair. But if I say milk sugar is another list and sugar milk is another list, that then it is a different two list. है ना? Okay. Chalo. Let us going back to the problem. What it is happening here? So count pair is there, X pair, and one more thing. So for all these things, solutions are already available, right? If you miss that, you just try to watch that solution or try to go through the solution. Much more detailed solution is there. Try to look at, try to solve by yourself also. If you haven't solved, then it will be hard to understand also because you should understand the question. Yeah. So count pair is there you have created as an empty list. Okay. X pair another. Chalo. Let me write itself. Then it will have a much more sense.
So can you please explain again count pairs?
Yeah. So what it is happening? See what it is in the question. At the end of execution, count pairs should store the list of triples such that every triple has two items and the number of times both the items have been purchased together. So like milk and bread. So this is one triple. This is another triple. है ना? And in this case, milk and bread has been purchased 3 times. Egg and milk has been purchased 5 times. This is the only case. I mean, this one we should count or we should store in count pairs list. Okay? Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
Triples means the element should be 3, like
Yeah.
milk. Okay.
Yeah. Pair means 2. Triple means 3. X pair is another and pair list. ठीक है? चलो. Yeah, so while pile 1 has more cards, okay, read the top card X, okay, X pair. So if you see that X pair is equal to get pairs. So X pair will be when you go first time, get pairs. What do you think it will return? Sorry. No. Yeah. So when you go first time, let us see. Just I'm not going through anywhere. Just trying to show you through the cards itself. So when you go first time, this is your let us say first card. So it will return. It will return what? How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will have how many pairs? 21 pairs. Okay. So where is my question? Yeah. So get pair X. So what if you have forget, just see that what it will return. So get pair X returns the list of pairs of items purchased in the cart. For example, if you have this one, so it will return like this. So list of list, it will return like this. I mean, sorry. Yeah, correct only. So it will have something like carrots, soap, carrots, tomato, carrots, bananas, carrots, soap, carrot, curd, carrots, milk. Then soap, tomatoes. Like that, it will have a pairs, list of pairs. Guys, understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for the example,
Yes.
for the example, let us see. I'm just considering this one. The first card you have this one, and you have called with this guy. So it will return like this. Agree? So get pairs will have like this value. Okay? Okay, na? Any doubt? Yeah. Now we are going. Sorry. This is the problem to adjust the screen. Yeah. So now we have pair list. Pair list will be what? Pair.
List of all the pairs.
Sorry.
List of all the pairs.
Yeah. Pair list will become pair list. So initially it was empty. It will be keep adding. So do you think that at the last it will have the all the? I mean, so this will be added. Control C. And let me first write this thing. Plus. So P is actually yeah.
The get pair check is only for a particular card.
Huh. So it will be added for this card. Initially it was empty. Now it is added for this X pair. Hana? So this will be same as this will be like empty list plus this X pairs. So this will become what? Simply X pair, no? Because this first one was the first time it was the empty, so it will be. When you go, so now we have moved that card to another pile. Again, next card. So at the last, it will have all the possible pairs, in the given data set. I mean, it will have the like next card will have, let us say it has, that is what I'm trying to say, X. And what should I write? Milk. Like there are only two items are there. So in this, there will be only one pair. There are two items. How many pairs it can be formed? Only one pair, na? Eggs and milk, like that. So it will keep added for the all the cards. So the finally it will have these many elements in this pair list. So pair list, how it is being created? Did you understand? Everybody understood how pair list will be created?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, chalo. Then moving back to the next part of the, so half of the problem is done. Now coming back to this part. So now it is checking that length. So did you remember what it should, your output will be like this. Your output should be like this, no?
Pair of threes.
One pair
Yes.
means this.
Yes.
Let us see milk and bread. Let us say it appeared twice. So it will be milk, bread, comma 2, which it will be in this, like this it should have. Hana? Egg milk is there 5. In this 5 pairs are there egg milk. That means. Hana? Okay. Yeah. So I have rest list, first list again. So this is not I mean very tough, but if you keep your patience, no, I mean then you will understand that. Means I just try to explain for one thing, and then you try to go through by yourself. You have to just keep on each and every line. Then I don't think so any issue with this code. The little bit lengthy, but it's not too much difficult. So we have created this one. Now pair count again. These things are also there. Can I copy this? Yeah. Okay. Now so pair count you have 0. Then item 1 none, item 2 none. Okay, now first of pair. So first of pair, what I'm going to do here, first of pair will be
Milk and bread.
Milk bread.
Let me copy this one and then you guys should take. So if can you tell me first of pair list will be what?
Milk and bread.
Milk and bread.
Milk and bread.
Milk and bread, sir.
Control C, Control V. Then item 1 will be what? First of first pair will be what?
Milk.
This
Milk, sir.
Milk.
And next one is bread.
Everybody is clear on this?
Yes,
Any,
sir.
any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Little bit lengthy, but just give me 5 minutes. We will understand. Yeah. So till here, I don't think so anybody is having doubt. Now this is, so see what you have done. This one you have stored in where? The item 1 and item 2. है ना? Item 1 is what? First of first, this one, milk, and item 2, bread. What next your duty should be that how many such pairs are present in this given list? Then you will have this value, no? Guys, agree or not? See,
Yes, sir.
that is what you are.
Yes.
How many such pairs are present, this milk and bread, in this big list, which is the whole data set? Agree? For that, what you will do? One thing also, like if you have milk bread, somewhere it can have bread milk as well. I mean,
Yes, sir.
it can have bread milk, can have also have, no? That is also representing same pair. Although that list is different, but pairs are same, no? Guys.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Milk bread and bread milk are
So
same.
that is what it is. So now what you are doing for each pair in raised of, so it is iterating through this guy from here. See, this one you have a stored in here. Okay? For item 1 and item 2. From here you are checking. Obviously you have to check from here, no? This one you have to check in all these remaining pairs. Okay? So that's why it is rating for each pair in rest of pair list. Got it?
Yes.
So what will be your first element of this one? When you, so for each pair in rest of pair list. So when you go first time, what will be the value of your pair? Tell me.
Milk.
And sugar.
Huh?
Then sugar.
Milk.
Milk or sugar? It will be a list, no? Pair will be a list.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now you are checking. Now come here. So what you will check? Milk is same as either milk or this one. It can have a sugar milk also, no? So you are checking this one with these two. Like this you are checking? Yes.
Yes.
So what you are checking? First of pair. First pair is what? Milk. Is equal to same as item 1. Item 1 is what? Milk. Yeah, or last of pair. Last of pair is sugar. Sugar is same as milk or not? है ना?
Okay.
Actually,
yeah.
This one you are checking with these two elements. If any one is the same, then see, or is operated. No, can you see this? Or operator.
Yes, sir.
If any one is true, what you should do? It should go inside and you should check with this one. And this is what actually item 2.
Last of.
Item 2 should be checked with these two elements. है ना? Any one of?
Yes.
Yes.
So, first of pair is same as item 2. Last of pair, which is this one, item 2 is or not. If it is in both, this is true. Any one of condition is true. You should go and you should increment the pair count.
Yes, sir.
Agree, no?
Agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got it? What I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, got
So
it.
that's why there is an OR operator here. Like this one is fixed, so it can have this one or this one, because we are not differentiating with milk bread and bread milk. Both are representing same pair. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why here it is checked like this, and here is also checked like this. Okay, so for that you should increment a count. If it is not there, this should be kept for the next iteration. If it is same, I mean, from here itself, if it is not same, it will go to the race list plus pair. A race list is initially what? Empty, and that will be added here. So here, how can you see here? We are not using directly any, where we are using race list. How this loop will stop? I mean, where is the termination condition here? That is the trick here. One trick is also here. This is a little tricky. Try to think what is happening here. If it is same, so do you remember? I mean, when we were checking, the one question was there in week 4, author 1. So when the same author was there, we are not moving to the table 3. That was moving to table 2, which are not brought back to the again table 1. Remember, same author book. I think people
Yes.
got.
Yes, sir.
That's winning. If you find the same thing, you are not going to add in this one race list. Therefore, if you do not add, then the length of this will be going to be reduced, no, by 1.
Yes, sir.
Hannah?
Yes, sir.
If it is not same, then it will be added. It will keep for the, like, if this is not the same case, so what you are doing, you are going to add in there, where? In this. Because one case is same, na? But while we are checking milk is same as milk here. So what you will do, you will go inside, you will check with the bread, and bread is actually not same as milk or not same as the sugar. So what you will do, you will go to the else part, and in this case, you will add to the race list. And in race list, you will be keep adding till all the pairs. And if you are finding the same milk and bread, that will be counted to the pair count, which is here. And what you will do, you will add, like, triple will be what? At the end of this one, item 1, comma, item 2, comma, pair count. And then count pair will be, so this is your triple, but I'm talking about the list of list. So this is the list. Count pair should look like what? List of list. That is what count pair plus inside the square bracket triple. That's right. Milk, bread, comma 3. So this will be like one triplet, which you find that milk and bread pair is found 3 times. Then pair list will be race list. If this pair is not found, that comparison means this from here you are comparing now. Not found, that will be added to the race list, and race list is again, this is move. So this is your table 3, which is again brought back to the table 1. Remember, guys? So like that it is working here. That's why someone can say that where is the termination condition, because you are not reducing the length. You are actually reducing whenever you are finding the same pair, means whenever finding the milk bread, at that time you are not appending that pair. So therefore you are keep reducing. So this will be the answer. Maybe if you, Hannah, this is your answer, no? Option number A. Guys, option number
Yes,
A.
sir. Yes.
See, option
Yes,
number A is answer. Understood?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you just
Yes,
explain
sir.
the option explanation?
Sorry,
Can you just explain the option?
this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was explaining. See, what, so when you go first time, pair. So pair will be what? Your, this one?
Milk.
No, sorry, rest of pair. So there, this will be your pair. That is what I have written. Because it is iterating through rest of pair. You have to leave the first element. First element is what? Here. So from here you have rest of pair list. Hannah? So rest of pair list. This is your rest of pair list. So when you are iterating, the first time pair will be what? Milk and sugar, milk and sugar. And these values that you have already found out, like pair list will be this one, first of pair list, which I have already written for the milk bread, and item 1 will be milk, item 2 will be bread. Now we are iterating through the this one. What you are doing actually, first of pair was what? Listen one more time, then I will go to the next question. Just refreshing yourself. Yeah, so first of pair will be what?
Milk.
Milk is checked with item 1. Item 1 is, sorry, first of pair is this one. Yeah, sorry, first of pair is milk. Milk is checked with item 1. Item 1 is what? This one.
Milk.
Yeah, so actually item 1 is in both constant, no? Here item 1, here item 1. That is compared with the first and last of the pairs. If it is same, any one of condition is true, it will go inside. So actually you are trying what? This is your fixed, which is your item 1. You are checking with this item and this item. If any one of condition is becoming true, it will go inside. So milk is compared with these two. For this condition is true, what it will do? It will go inside, and then.
So, sir, if both the, like, irrespective of the order of the pair, if the items are same, we are incrementing the pair count, and then we are storing it in count pairs.
Yeah. You are incrementing. If you found that milk and bread for anywhere, or bread or milk, then you are.
Any order can be done.
Yeah, any order. That's why we are using, no, item 1 is checked with the both first and last. We are not we are not saying that milk and bread milk are two different pairs. Although that two are different lists, but that are representing the same pair. Okay. So what you do, guys, this is very good problem. Just try to take very small. Don't write like milk, bread, or like that. Take A, B, C, D. So try to make some pairs and try to solve these questions. You will understand little more. If you still have doubt, solution are there. Maybe tomorrow one more session will be there. Ask this one. Okay. If you find difficulty, and this is much more detail is there given there. Just try to read and try to execute actually first. Videos is also there. Okay.
Sir, can you please explain option number B?
Option number
B, difference.
This one.
Yeah.
So in this option number B is what?
First.
So it is checked with item 1 and item 2. But what we have already done here, we have already checked for the item 1 and item 1. Can you see this?
Okay, sir.
Where option number A, then you are supposed to check with item 2 only, no? But in this section, item 1 and item 2, there's again checking. That is not needed.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain how the loop will terminate? Because at the end, the rest list is equated to the pair list.
Yeah, so pair list will be, see, can you see this? Pair list is nothing but your rest list, no? Okay, so rest list where it is created. So rest is being created here. Rest list is plus pair, and also as well as here. So at that two cases are created when we are going to the else part. So it will be added when rest list will be added when this condition is becoming false. Akhil, no?
Yes, sir.
So, but what if this is true? If this is true, you are going inside. Okay. So this is your option. So the correct option. So inside that's another one. If this is true, you are going inside. So are you adding anything to the rest list in whenever these two conditions are becoming true? So you have reduced by 1, no, for that particular pair. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever this is false, then you are adding this one and here. Whenever it is same, at that time you have actually reduced by 1. If you found that 3 pairs, then your rest list, this list will be, where is that? Rest list will be actually 3 number list of rest pair list, no? So this is same problem. That is what I have told, that when you are trying to find the binning, and when you are trying to binning with the same author book. So that is the termination condition. At last, we will end it with nothing. Okay. Yeah.
So I got confused from this question.
Yeah.
Practice
Sir,
assignments.
Yeah, unless
in the authors,
so unless you are not doing by yourself, obviously this is confusing. So that's why I told you, you create a such pairs, I mean such thing. Your options are also given. If you look at only, you are not able to solve this one unless you are not trying by yourself. Options are
Okay, so I will try.
yeah, much more details are there. If you find difficulty, first of all, whatever question is saying, then try to do that one. Takes very small number of elements, 3 to 4, and try to iterate. Okay. Otherwise, it will, if you simply look, no, it will not work actually. You will think that you will understand. Whenever I'm trying to explain, you will understand. After some time, you will forget. It is better to always write by yourself. Okay. That is the why in people find problem in Python. Okay, so question number next is
Move to next question.
6.
6. Yes, 6.
Yeah, 6 is what? Hey, 6 I'm not going to explain. I think this is one of the question in graded assignment. Whoever asked, please try to watch that one. It is simply nothing but what it is happening here. I just briefly tell you. Guys, this is the same question, no? We have asked in somewhere in graded assignment, or it
Yes,
is
sir.
practice assignment. So just give you brief info, those who have not attended the session. So it is what is happening here in, you have a topper. Topper is what? Find top, table 1. So find top is nothing but a procedure. What is the input? Table 1. So table 1, all the information of your cards is presented in table form, score data set. So look at back to the find top. What it is happening here? You have created a max and top empty list. You are going through the tables of the cards. So whenever you are finding that total is greater than max, what you are doing? Max will be x dot total, and top is the x dot sequence number and max. So it is a store. So what do you think max will store? Max will store the maximum total marks, and top will store the sequence number of that particular student total sequence number and corresponding max value. That is what it is keep doing here. Okay. So top will, so it will return as a top, and top will be the nothing but, topper will be nothing but your top value, and top value will be what? Sequence number of the max student and this maximum value. So topper is the least of 2 elements. Yes, Hannah? First of topper represents the sequence number of one of the students who have scored the highest total mark. Yes, that is the sequence number. No? First of topper is a least of the sequence number. No. First of topper is a sequence number only, not the least of sequence. Last of topper is the highest total mark. Yes, max value. Any doubt in this? This is I have explained in much more detail. But it is clear now, no? Question number 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Question number 9.
Practice assignment question 6, 7, and 8.
No. 9. These are the questions also there.
Sir, can you please solve question number 12? 9 is also easy.
It just I gave you in brief info, and then I will go to the question number 12. It's not too much difficult. Question number 9. Okay. So if I solve 12, then I think 13, 14 are comprehensive question. No?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will just give me 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay. So who had asked in this question? Question number 9.
So me.
Anamika. So Anamika, what it is happening here? No.
Sir, I'm not getting common number list L1 or L2. Where it's come from?
So I'm telling what it is happening here. Just give me a second. So see, thing is that you have one paragraph, okay? And it is like I order this product from guitar. So like that, it was Monday morning, same paragraph and all information you have, okay? Like that is what it is written in the para. The same field as the words data set, okay? Consider the following information. So you have something called, these are the functions which does something. So what it does, like unique L returns a list of unique elements of list A. So L is a list if you have a A list in which there are duplicates. List can contain duplicates value, Anamika?
Sir, sorry.
List can contain duplicate values?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, I mean, unique list will, what it will do?
It will take only unique list.
So question, like L you have something called 1 comma 2 comma 5 sorry 0 comma 1. So what it will return if you call unique?
0. Sorry, sir. 1 2 5 0.
It will return 1 2 5 0. That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another means the common number L1 and L2 returns the number of common elements in list L1 and L2. So let us say if we have this is nothing but your L1. Okay? And L2 will be something called 5 comma 7 comma 1. Okay? So what if I call in L3 and L3 will be what? Common number.
Common of L1 and L2.
L2. What do you think it will be?
1 and 5, sir.
1 and 5.
1 and 5.
L1 and L2.
1 and
5 and 1.
What are the common elements in L1 and
1 or 5?
It can like this also or this also. It is not given, so it can have 5 comma 1 as well. Okay, but only the common elements. Okay, agree?
Yes, sir.
Will be the like ABC is the 3 returns the max value. This is pretty straightforward. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Uppercase and lowercase doesn't matter. Like that, if I say that happy or happy, both are treated as the same. That is uppercase, lowercase ignored, checking whether words belong to both. Okay? Agree?
Yes.
Now we have these are the positive list elements, and so these are if these words are present in the some sentence, no? So this is like keywords for positive. Like Google does like this. So negative, if these are the elements are there, na, that is considered as a negative list words, positive sentence, negative sentence, neutral. So now you have to just iterate what is there in this, Anamika. Tell me where you are stuck in this code. You have to iterate through the.
Sir, only only L1 or L2 common number.
So L1 and L2, see, whenever you common number, where is the common, somewhere here is, common number, positive list. So positive list, where is the positive list? This is your positive list, no? This one, comma, L. L is what? This one only, no? So this one is L is equal to plus plus. But L is like, what will be the first one? So it will like, I order this product from Guitar. So that will be here. Now we will come here, L is the unique list. So if anything is common, like if let us say this is coming twice or anything word is coming twice, that will return only the single value in this when you call this guy. Hai?
Yes, sir.
This is one list and this is another list. And whichever the common elements are there, that will be returned and that will be stored in positive count, no? Because common number, what it is doing? It is returning the common elements, no?
Yes, sir.
And I'm a simple thing, no? I mean, see, I ordered this guitar from, product from Guitar. Do you think that any word is common in positive list and this one? Any word?
No, sir.
No. But whatever, next sentence will be, I am very happy to say this one. So happy is, I think there is one common word. So it will return.
Yes.
So positive.
Happy, awesome.
Sorry. Sorry. Any doubt in this? No, na? So actually it is returning the number of common elements. So if you common number, so this will be returning the not the least. It is returning the number of common. So it will be nothing but your 2, no? Only 2. It is actually returning the number. Sorry. Hana?
Okay, sir.
It returns the number of common elements. So which are the common in list L1 and L2. Here is the when you are positive count, you have list is positive list and corresponding sentence elements. When you have negative, these are the this one comma L. Then you have to find like it will give the positive count and negative count. Now you have to check on this condition how many sentences are positive sentences, negative sentence, or neutral sentence. That's all. And this is comment type among these all three, which are the max value. No, Anamika is
Sir, clear.
clear. Na? Okay. Chalo. Question number 12. Yeah, question number 12. Actually, this is question we have asked. Hey, why it is? Yeah. This is not a. I mean, yeah, it is clear. So this question actually no. I mean, we did ask. We didn't ask directly. We are asking in some different way. And listen, what it is happening here. I mean, this is another way of asking questions. This is not a conventional type of question where like what will D will represent what the elements of dictionary D like that. This is not the case. This is actually I'm asking how the dictionary or how the that something a procedure is there or dictionary is there, how a dictionary will look like when we have a this pseudo code. Khushi, no? How many have doubt in this question? Anyone is everybody? Who had doubt in this question?
Yes, sir, I have.
So 13th and 14th.
Yeah. So first 12.
12th is clear.
Yeah. Khushi left?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in question number 12.
Yeah.
Sir, I also have doubt in question 12.
Yeah. So listen. Yes, the following pseudocode is executed using Olympics dataset. At the end of execution, medal lists should store the number of players. So medal list something is there. Medal list should store the number of players who have won all three types of medal and have won at least one type of medal more than one time. So it is saying that it should store the medal list store the number of players. So it is saying that some players are there which have won all three types of medal. So which are the three medals? Bronze, gold, and silver, and have won at least one medal, one type of medal more than once. So let us say in either one of the three medals, either gold, silver, and bronze, more than once. Okay. So assume that table one always get restored after every iteration. Chalo, ठीक है. So medals is 0. Okay. While table 1 has more rows, read the first row X. Medal list is equal to medal list plus qualified. Okay. So medal list is definitely an integer type. Yeah, that is what we also came to know from the paragraph. But this is written that medal dict, and I don't know what is there. Without knowing, you cannot send what we cannot send to this particular procedure. You should be knowing that how it should be look like when you look at here. So next question itself is asking that which of the following statement is true about medal dict based on the above pseudocode. So you have to guess like medal dict how it should be. Is this a procedure? It is a dictionary, or it is a nested dictionary, or it is a dictionary with a sequence number like that. So you have to guess how it should look like. So we have to guess actually from the question itself. So chalo, something is there which we are calling this one medal dict with the three input parameters qualified. When we see the qualified procedure, medal dict repeated, all things are copied to this one. I mean, all are same. But if you see here, medals are 0, repeated. Okay, medals are length of keys of medal dict A. So can you see this? It is used as a medal dict is used as a keys of medal dict A. So can you see this? I mean,
yes, when the keys word is there, then it should be dictionary, sir.
Medal dict is there, but like if I write here, just remember keys of D, then what do you can say about D?
It is showing the keys within the dictionary.
Keys of D.
Dictionary.
D should be a dictionary.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dictionary. So what
Yes,
what it is written here? Control C here.
Keys of keys.
Length of keys of metal dict.
Keys of this guy. So what do you think that this should be a dictionary?
Yes, sir.
Should be a dictionary, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Should. Oh my God.
And in turn, medal dict is also a dictionary.
Dictionary, है ना?
Sir, here the sequence numbers are the keys, right?
Yeah. Listen, पहले ना. I mean, see, I'm just based on this. I'm saying keys of D. If I have written, then D should be a dictionary. Here I am written.
Yes, sir.
I'm calling keys of this one, so this should be also a dictionary. Can you see this? So this is a
Yes, sir.
dictionary, but since N is also a key used here, so can you see this? Medal dict should be a nested dictionary. How I'm saying that?
Sir,
Why?
it contains keys and which are dictionaries of another keys.
Can you see this? What I'm having? So this is actually a dictionary, but inside again you are using this guy. So this is actually, if I talk about medal dict, it is a dictionary of dictionaries, meaning nested dictionary. So
Yes, sir.
can you see this? So just guessing, I'm saying that medal dict, something called a sequence number should be a key, first key. After that, I don't know how it is. I mean, I don't know how it should be. But when I see here, now it is like length. Length function is used for what?
For counting. For counting.
Yes.
It is used in the list. It is used in the list for counting.
For counting each and every element in it.
Anna? So it should
Yes,
be,
sir.
yeah. So it should be like your what? I mean, dictionary of dictionary, in which medal should be there, no? Medal, I mean, what is should be? Medals as a key. Yeah. So medal, what should I write for a medal? Medals as a key, bronze medals. If I write simple, gold, है ना?
Silver, bronze.
Yes, sir.
Something we can have a true. True, I will tell you how it will be true. I mean, just guess. I mean, I don't know what so this
So
is
it can also store a numerical value, right? 1, 2, 3.
yeah. So that's why I'm telling you I don't know what is there. Now it will come here from the next sentence. So now we have seen there medals. Repeated is there. Repeat dict in is there. Hannah, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
But can you see this? Medal of is compared with what? First of all, I'm still at line number 11. Compared with what?
Integer.
3.
Integers, no?
Yes, sir. Integer.
So it should be have a true and false value. Why? I tell you in some time. Just a minute. Gold, silver, sorry, single, no? Both are true, but let us say this is only 2. I mean, है ना? So I mean, so that's why it is the first it is coming here, and what you are doing, keys of medal of dick. So medal of dick one is keys of gold and silver. That is compared with the number of medals. And if you are saying that is the least, you are saying some value, you are saying, no, Khushi, no, what do you think here it should be? Means gold, it has, I mean, it has born this guy, sequence number one has born.
At least one medal should be there.
So it means one medal is there. That means he has won that medal, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if now coming here, so now try to go through back, means what it is saying here. Now medals is there, repeat is there. Now if you check here medals will be what you're checking, length of what, keys of, when you are going for keys of medal, let us a sequence number you have called with one only. For the first entry is like this is the input value, no? So you are saying for the one, and the medal is one. So what will be the value here? Means if I see there, this is medal one, so which one will come here? Medal did one. This
will come G true, S false, S true.
I mean, see. I mean, medal. Just listen for some time, then you will understand what it is. So if I write.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we cannot have for gold you have taken gold, you have taken silver. Can we have a bronze and mapped to false?
No. So why will then if we have not, because if you write that bronze and that is false, then keys will be compared with this one. Now it will not, it is not checking the value, it is checking the length of the how many keys are there. So keys, if you add it, means he won the bronze as well. It is not checking the value. Can you see there? It's just checking for the number. Medal. Kushi? I mean, let us say this one, 2. So it will come and it will, it's the number of medals he has won 2. But what if you are saying according to you, I mean, if you say that bronze is there, okay? And you are saying that this is false, okay? Now,
yes,
if you write keys of medal of 1, what it will be the value? 3.
3.
But he had.
Then it will be false.
He has not won the bronze medal, na? Because
yes, sir. Then it will be
it has compared with the length of the keys of medal. So whatever the medal he has won, for that it should be only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is pretty much clear. Like your medal dictionary will look like how? I mean, first check the option. It's a procedure. It's absolutely wrong.
Yes, it's a nested dictionary.
Because you are using some key and what. Okay? So it is not a procedure. So option number A is wrong. Anybody is having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay?
No.
Then again option number A, dictionary. Okay, so it is now it is saying something called it is a dictionary with sequence number of players mapped to true. If the player has won the all medals of false. Just now I have told that if it is false, what was the error it is coming? Kushi and others. Did you understand? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because you are comparing with the length of the keys of the medal dictionary. And it is just counting the number of keys. And if it is not checking the value, if code in this code, if it is checked further for the what is the value, then you have think that. But according to this code, according to this programmer, that is not the case. The case should be like is the nested dictionary. Yeah, nested dictionary. Sequence number of the map to the dictionary. It is mapped to a dictionary with the medal as a key and map to true if they have won the medal. So option number C is correct. It is C
Yes, sir.
again. Let us check this one also. Middle is dictionary with sequence number map to the list of no.
So, sir, medals only count the number of medals assigned to that sequence number, right? Not the true or false.
This is whichever number of keys is nothing but indirectly saying that he has won the medal. He has won the what? That particular category of medal. Okay, so next question is what? 13 also, na? 13 is repeat dicts based on the what it should be. So let us check here. So it is checking a repeat is there. Chalo, theek hai. Repeat. Repeated we have assigned false. Repeated we have assigned false. Okay. Initially. So which type of data it will be?
The Boolean.
Boolean.
Value it will take. So corresponding repeated n, if you are saying that n you are assigning to the repeated, and repeated dictionary is there. Repeated dictionary is there. So n is the nothing but your sequence number, no? So this is your repeated. Where I'm writing? Yeah, repeated dictionary. Sorry. And corresponding some sequence number should be there. And it is what it should be there. Can you tell me? Only Boolean value, no? Why I'm saying that? See, repeated is assigned as what? False.
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 And here repeated is updated with the value of this one. So repeated n will be corresponding value will be either true or
false.
Okay?
Yes.
Something is there, it will be like
Yes, sir.
I mean whatever I meant.
Yes, sir.
So let us go to the options. Okay. Repeated dictionary is a procedure. Again false, it is not a procedure. Anna?
Yes, sir. It's not a procedure.
Why? Because can you see this? You have n.
It is a dictionary.
Yeah, it is a dictionary. Dictionary, chalo. It is a dictionary with sequence number of player mapped to the number of medals. Again, this is if number of medals, then this should be a integer data.
Numerical value.
But repeated, what you have initialized with?
False or Boolean value.
So it cannot have a numbers. Okay. Now coming back to the option number C. Is a dictionary with sequence of player to map to if and only has won at least one type of medal more than once. But if it is only assigning for true, it is not talking about the false one. It should also assign for the false one. Because it is checking for the, I mean, it will be unknown data. No, if it is not there, what it will be ultimately it is taking. I mean,
it will be false.
Anna. So
yes, sir.
True and false should be both there. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why more than once, otherwise it will be false. Okay? Because you have to update the value of repeated. Anna?
Sir, it was a multi-select question, so I got confused between third and fourth option.
No, but
C
you have to be very much careful. I mean, these options are options are different. Now you can understand that. So there is actually meaning. You should understand why extra line or extra words are coming in this one. Anna?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Question number 14. Also, doubt is there? Is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, is there.
Who had doubt in this? Okay, so
doubt between third and fourth option. Only, yeah, it was the way the words are used.
Option number A is incorrect. Why? Because this is a procedure. It is saying that which is not a correct, not a correct. Now option number C and D. What is the difference between option number C and D? Let me make it big. It is clear, no? I mean, my screen is visual. Here you have
Yes.
created
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it's a nested one. Here you have created a nested one. Can you see this? But here you are not creating a nested dictionary. But what you have concluded, your middle dict should be a nested dictionary. Hana?
Yes, sir.
Sunita? So can you
Yes,
see
sir.
this?
Yes.
You have created fine, but what you are storing is like sequence number and then corresponding value. You are not giving the information of gold, silver, or anything. Can you see this?
It is given, na? G, S, and
Like
B.
if it is if it is counting gold, you are adding one, silver also, bronze. So you are not distinguishing. I mean, can you see this? If it is one, it is simply saying that, yeah. Understand?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So next one is what? Yeah. So this is here you have created a dictionary. Then you have created a nested one. For the sequence number, you have created another one. And for that, you are checking. Number is there? No.
And plus, sir, in the last option, as you were saying, that there is a Boolean value, whereas in C option, the Boolean value is not given for each of the medals.
Where?
In the C option, the Boolean value is not there na, for each option.
No,
Whereas in D option, the Boolean value is there. True, true, and true.
In this, you are saying?
Yes. Why D is there and C is not the option? The reason.
Yeah, it is only saying for the true. Means if it is he has won at least one type of medal, it is assigned true. What if it is not?
Yes, sir.
Because we need that one. Why? Because for every n, you are assigning value. Can you see this? To the repeated. If it is not there, what you will assign?
Yes, sir. If not there, then we will leave it,
it should be false
like this. No? We will not consider it as false.
Yeah. But you have to write because code doesn't know anything. If you do not assign, it will not do anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all. Question number 14 done.
Sir, each of these questions are they are time consuming. So in the exams also, test also, we'll get such type of questions, and they are taking a lot of time. Each question.
But also time. See, can you see here? Question number 12. Question number 12, no? Yeah. 12, if you are able to solve, you are able to solve 12, 13, and 14. 3 questions. Each will have at least, if I say this is, this will have 3 marks, 3 at least 9 marks you are able to solve. So obviously you have to give time, no? For 9 marks, that's why this is a comprehension question. Okay. Now coming back to the week 5 graded assignment 6 practice.
So graded assignment 6 I got, sir. Could you explain practice assignment?
Of which one?
So I had asked graded assignment question 6 week 5, but I have got it.
Okay, then practice assignment 3 and 9.
Yes.
I haven't explained that question, or TA has also not explained.
Second, there is also a session of CT.
Yeah, now one TA session might be happening from 8 to 10. You can ask.
Yes, sir.
Also. Solution is also there, no? I mean, week 5 practice. What is there in that? I mean, question number. What was the question number? Sorry, 3 and 9. Okay. Yeah, I have explained this question. No, what is doubt in this? Hello. Hello. Who had asked this question? Dhanya, I think. Question number 3
Sir,
and
I did not ask 3, sir. I asked only 9.
3. Who had asked 3? Question number 3. No one. Okay. This is actually, I think, list of triples. This is a very good question. I mean, obviously, this is the how many loops are there? 1, 2, 3. है ना? So see, this is very simple. You understand like this. If you have to find a couple or the pair, what you do? You fix one to iterate through this one, and remaining element is iterated through this one. Danya? I'm telling you briefly. I mean, what is happening here. So, Danya, are you following what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one element you have fixed, because see, when your table one has one row, you have X is fixed. Then the remaining, let us say there are 30 cards in sports data set. So first card is fixed, X. So now we have remaining 29 cards, in which you have again another take Y card. So you have, what you have done? You have compared with X and Y. So triples, how it will form triple? So triple means, I just tell you once how triple. Okay, yeah. So question number, this is okay. Week 5, practice assignment 9. So if I talk about triplets or triples, A, B, C are triples. A, comma B, sorry, A, comma B, and C. If it is triples, what you say that? Let us say for the start for the very simple thing, pair. So pair, if I say pair A, comma B, so some property will be same as A and B, between A and B. Danya? Property will be same something between A and B. That is what we are trying to do here. A and B, like if I say that that should be from the same city, or their marks should be less than 10. If difference between their marks is less than 10, then you can say that this A and B are pair. Agree? Danya? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Triples, what it will be there? A and B should have also less than 10 marks. Let us say something, it is based on the mathematics marks. So mathematics marks, the difference between A and B will be less than 10. B and C should be also 10, and A and C should be also 10. Na?
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is trying to do here. First of all, what you have done? A is fixed here. Now B you are fixing here through the second loop, which is compared like A and B marks is less than 10. Chalo. Now what you have to do? You have fixed that. Okay, this is true. Then less than 10 is there. Now you have to find another for making triplets. So A and C and B and C should be less than 10. No, also. Danya. No. Just now I told you like A and B is same. Now what you have to do? We have to check with A and
Yes,
C
yes.
and B and C as well. That is what it is done here.
Yes.
A and B is checked. Okay, that is fine. Now we are checking with A and C, B and C. If it is same, then you have to append the list. That's all.
Yes, sir.
That is what it is done here. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just a summary of this question is there. But if you want to iterate, just take a 3 example or 4 or 5 member and try to iterate. You will easily understand what is happening here. Okay? Sure.
Can you just scroll up to question 3, sir?
Yeah. Tell me what's your doubt in this?
Here it's given for each A and LA, for each B in A. How do we take that A?
What is your LA?
List of 1, list of 1, 2.
Yeah. So when you go first for each A in LA, so LA is this one. Okay? when you are saying that for each A in LA, so A will be what? When you go first time, what is the value of A you will have?
List of 1.
This one? Now
Yes, sir.
of each B in A. So when you go first time in this list, what will be the value of B?
1.
1.
1, sir.
And now you are iterating. LB is equal to B plus LB, and L is equal to first of L. First of L is what? 0 plus
So
B.
here what is A stand for, sir?
A is the element of list LA.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sure. Okay, so am I done with all doubts? Or still doubt is there?
No, sir. Done.
Week 6, who had doubt in week 6, 3, 7, and 8? Still here or left? If not there,
Left, sir.
okay. If
Sir,
not
so
there,
7 and 8 I have done here, sir. Week 6 practice
week 6,
assignment.
week 6,
Practice assignment question 7 and 8.
you have doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
चलो 3 गो. तो बोला फ्री दिल के 2 गो पड़ेगो फ्री पनीर तड़का.
So ordering food, good. Yeah, what's your doubt in this? I think I have explained this one also. What is happening here? What is your doubt in this, Tanya? Tell me. Hello. Tell me, no. I mean, then I will understand that what's your doubt in this.
Yes, sir. I think the entire code, so like, could you explain it once? Because at that time I was not able to do it.
See, this is based on the words data set. Okay. Start is true. We have some Boolean variable, which is initialized as true, out list empty. While table is okay. Read the first. Okay. So when you go first time, a start is true. In list will be this one. A start, as soon as you go inside, you will make it start what? False. In list will be what? In list plus x dot word. So let us say the first word was what? It. It was Monday morning, no? That is the first sentence in which the first word is what? It. So in list is what? Empty plus x dot word is what? It. What is the part of speech is this one? Pronoun. So it will be appended to this one. X dot word end with a full stop. No, it will not go inside. Move x to okay. Now again if you go inside. So start is false from the previous. It will not go inside. Then in list will be added to in list plus x dot parts of speech. Okay. So in list will store all the words of the first sentence. It was Monday morning. Actually, it is nothing but a list of list. Can you see this? It will store x dot word and corresponding. So how your in list will look like? These things, if you try to do by yourself, it's not a very tough question. You have to just go through line by line. That's all, nothing else. So in list will be your, like the first word is what? It. And corresponding value is what? A corresponding parts of a speech. Pronoun. Okay. Then next one is what? It was. Verb. So this will be for the all the words of the first sentence. Dhanya, agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as soon as now when last word is come, word morning. So if morning will come, obviously it is ending with a full stop. True or not?
True, sir.
Yeah, it will come inside. What will the out list will be? Out list plus in list. So that is also written in square bracket. So
list of Monday.
Huh.
Outlist contains the list of in list.
Out list will be what?
List of Monday.
This whole
List
will
of
be
list.
one element actually.
One particular sentence. That's the list.
This will be your one sentence like that, and then a start will be true. Now that it will keep going that. So out list is a list of lists, no? Can you see this? What is happening here? This is representing for the one of the sentence in which each element is actually having one pair which represents word and corresponding what parts of a speech. That's all you have to do, nothing else. Now can you answer now this one, question number 7 and 8? Did you understand how out list will be calculated? No? Danya? Hello?
Yes, sir, got both the answers.
Okay, good. Yeah, so what is their name?
Sir,
Yeah, 7. Yeah, tell me.
sir, activity question 6.3, question number 3.
6.3 now, activity. 6.3, question number?
3, sir.
Yeah, so 3 is nothing but your, like, you have input is this one, okay? Anamika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have called some procedure called sorted list insert. So you have this list, comma, 5. And where is the sorted list you have? Here, no? This will
Yes,
be a
sir.
sorted list, comma, 5. So now we have to iterate through this one. So new list will be empty, inserted will be false. Now we have to iterate through each and every element of L. That is what you are doing, no? So Z will be first what? 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. It will go and it will check with the X value. X is nothing but your what? 5. Once you done with this one, it will return to the L. And now again you are calling with this L will be now this here. So now we have inserted in this L. Now again you are calling with L, updated L, comma 4. Understand what it is happening, no? It is the like series. Anamika?
Sir, I'm not getting.
Okay. So initially L was like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have called this guy. Sorted list insert L, comma 5. That will be stored where? Here?
Yes, sir.
I mean, it will be like this, no? I mean, so L you have this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we have L, sorry, small L is there, so that's why you are little bit confused. You have something called sorted list insert and L, comma, what is that? 5. So what you have to do? You have to go and check sorted list insert, and you have to check that, yeah, this all things are new list now. Insert false. Okay. So for each, when you go first time, what is the value of Z you will have?
5.
5, sir.
5. Now, not inserted and X is less than Z. So not inserted is what initially? False. Not false?
False.
Not
True,
false?
sir.
True. No. And X is what? You have 5. Hannah, X is 5. No. Copied X will be 5. No. Anamika?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why? You have called this one procedure and with this value L and 5. L is this one and X is 5. Okay? Chalo. So 5 is less than 5. Is true or false?
Sir, false Q, because Z is 5 and X is also 5.
So 5 is less than 5. Is true or false?
False.
False. Very. So what will be your new list?
5.
New list is equal to new list plus Z. So new list is initially empty plus Z. Z is what?
List of 5.
Okay. So this will be 5. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now again, Z will be what? Next,
4.
4. Again, not false, true,
Yes, sir, true.
and 5 is
So,
less than 4,
false.
false. It will go, no,
Mm,
no, na. So again, it will be appended to here, new list plus plus Z. So it will be comma 4.
yes, sir.
Any doubt? So do you think that for any value of Z, this is becoming true?
No, sir. It will become false
It will
always.
be 3, comma 2, comma 1.
1.
Okay, for all values of Z.
Yes.
Any doubt? Now this loop is over. Now come here. Not inserted. Inserted is what?
False.
Because we didn't go anytime here, no?
Yes, sir.
So not false will be what?
True.
True. It will go inside and new list will become what? New list plus 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 plus.
Plus plus. Plus 5 4 3 2 1 5.
So this will be plus plus comma 5. Any doubt?
No doubt.
And it will return new false. So now the value of, so it will new list will return where? Here only, na? So your latest L will be what? Agree? Hana?
Agree, sir.
Now,
yes, sir.
Again, you are calling I is equal to sorted insert, sorted list insert, and L will be what? Now, this is your latest L, comma 4. Now, keep doing same thing, and finally, you will have this value when you are calling with 1, L, comma 1. Understand what is happening? This you will be able to do?
Yes, sir, I will do now.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay then. Yeah, no doubt left. I think one more session is going on with TS. You can join that session if you have still doubt. And one more session will be tomorrow. One more session will be tomorrow at I think 4 to 6. Yeah, extra session. But yeah, so please do revise the list and dictionary, and the best way to revise list and dictionary, just take, so you have week 5, 6, 7, 8 practice and graded assignment questions as well as mock. So you have how many sets of questions are there? 8, sorry, those 8, no, 8 plus 1, 9. So you have 9 set of questions. Take any random question, try to solve. Best way to revise concepts of list and dictionaries is this one only. Take any random question and try to solve. Okay?
Practice assignment 5, can you just solve
Sir, can you provide us the revision PDF, sir?
Revision PDF for
CT.
which one revision? This one.
Quiz 2, sir, from week 5 to week 8.
Oh, that slide, sir. Okay, I will share.
Sir, I have one request and suggestion, sir. If it is possible for you to push this to your higher authority, that if the YouTube the videos that we are making, if that can be put within one folder, and all the recordings, so that, and for PYQ we have to rely mostly on the outer websites, which you all ask us not to try those things. So although for PYQ there is nothing wrong, but we have to find so many things just for that. So if you can, like, I'm not asking for any other resources, the resources which IIT Madras already have, if that can be put within one folder, this will be very helpful for us who's practicing. Otherwise, what happens is when we are practicing PYQ, we got some PYQ1, but for PYQ, we have to search for so many things. Now, for those who are in WhatsApp group, for n number of WhatsApp group, it's easy for them to have it. But for people like me who are not very active in the group, in that case, I find it very difficult.
Okay. So, but it's all are in what is that same playlist, no? I mean, playlists are there, no? I mean, in the same playlist, if you go to the ITM online degree and
No, sir. When I start searching it, most of the time I get it last year one. Now let's assume that what you have taken like 2-3 weeks back class. If I have to search, it takes a lot of time. Most of the time I don't get it.
yeah, that actually during that time there was some issue. I mean, there was the license issue. So some of the lectures may or may not be available. I mean, but it will be available in the previous previous terms. Just give me a second. Let me make her
Okay. Now what it is saying, assume that given a dictionary B, there exists a procedure make such that max of
Yeah, tell me. So yeah, so few slides are only not there, no? I mean, other things are few sessions are not there. Most of the sessions are there, but because I don't know, miss, at that time there was issue. Because of that, we are not able to upload that lectures because that was not conducted on Zoom session. Later we did on Gmeet and we recorded and we uploaded few sessions also. But I think week 5 and 6, week 5 is not there only, no? I mean, if I'm not wrong. Hello?
That I don't know, sir, but the only thing which I know is like when I try to look for the most important thing, when I try to find something, that time I'd never get it. So it's just because that's the reason I've asked you if you can make a folder of it and put it somewhere so that we can go through it anytime.
Okay. Yeah. Just
And the solutions that you actually the problem is like that's the reason we have to rely mostly on the outer source, which I honestly I don't like, but we don't have any other options. The problem is like there is nothing which is exactly at one point where we can go and find the IIT Madras thing that okay fine we can go there and look for everything that we get that is
yeah,
previous
can you
and
see this one when you see ITM online BS degree page, the YouTube page? Can you see this? If you search
Yes,
that
sir.
item, it will come. When you go to the playlist, it will have the stats one, computational thinking 2023. If you click on this, you will have all the things.
Okay.
It will
Right.
be week one, solve open extra session like that. All things are there. Only that extra revision session is also there. For week 5, this is not there, but extra I have combined these some sessions and that is in where is that a special sessions topics on concept of list and dictionary which covered almost all these two which we have missed, but other
Yeah,
things are
which which you tried to take on that night, and
yes,
we have to end the session in the mid only.
yes, because some of at college.
Yeah, and that is also one of the requests, sir. If you plan to have the session, please continue with that because it's never possible that we like, let's assume on that day, I remember we were like 120, 130 students.
Yes,
So that's not going to be possible that all of will be on the same line.
Yeah.
किसी को नींद आ रही होगी ये होगा ही सर, ये हो सकता है मेरे साथ भी हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन मेरी वजह से आप दूसरों का क्लास नहीं खत्म कर सकते.
Correct. Yeah, so maybe I will take such more sessions, one more. I mean, so maybe list and dictionary I have taken. So maybe I will take for that matrix and recursion base. So maybe coming week, next week or to next week, I will have one such session where I will try to give you more time to talk, to discuss doubts, or you can ask doubts in very like comfortable way. I mean, that time.
Sir,
Huh.
so just one thing, practice assignment 5 question 3 I was unable to get it, sir.
Practice assignment question 3.
Yes, sir, I had asked you, but I am not able to get it.
Okay. Yeah, so I will take that session, but now it is clear, no? I mean, because if you go to the playlist, all things are there. The sessions which are not there, means like these things are not there, which it is taken but it was not uploaded here because that time it was not a Zoom session. But combined sessions I have taken where I'm like, if you see that where is the combined session it is coming, yeah, a special session. There all things are there. If you watch that one, most of the doubts will be cleared for list and dictionary. So this is for the list, and half lecture will be based on dictionary, and here it will be like some open session somewhere, or where is that? Yeah, week 8 somewhere. Week 8 open session or extra session. There dictionary, I have talked about dictionary. Okay, so that all things are there. These things are only not there, but it is available in these 2 sessions. Okay.
Sir, I have two more things to ask. One thing is like, although you told us, so can we follow the same procedure for maths and stats also? Like I have 3 subjects in this semester.
So what do you want to follow?
That is from 5 to 8. Shall I be focusing just on practice assignment and all the graded assignment?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, mostly that is more than enough, but also it will be good that if you attend the live sessions of thing, I mean, it will be good that.
Yes, sir. I try to attend. Like today, I attended this because people like I try to learn CT, but for maths, I think I have not much of the problem, so that's fine.
Okay.
But I was asking like just practice, and the second thing is like, will there be is there any chance that week 9 assignment date will be extended for 1 or 2 days? Is there any chances, because it's just clashing with the exam?
The deadline?
Deadline is perhaps 6 or 7 only.
No, 9th.
Okay, it's 9. Then it's fine. Perhaps I can work out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Dhanya, this is so. What do you have doubt in this, Dhanya? I mean, you are iterating through the elements of LA. LA is nothing but, see, for each loop is only you can use iterating over the element of a list. So LA, if you are talking about, so LA will be a list, obviously. It can be list of lists also, it's fine. So when you are going for each A in LA, so A will be an element. So element is this one actually, a list which contains element 1. Now in that element, now you are iterating one more, which is through this one. So for each B in A, so when you go first element of A, what is that? Only one element is there. No? So 1 is there. So LV will be like B is initially what? 1 plus LV was initially empty. So LV will become 1 and L will become 1 because first of L is what? 1. Sorry, first of L is what? 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. When you go next time, there is only one element. So you read all the elements of A. Therefore, this loop will be stopped. Now you are coming out of this inner loop. You will add LC will be LV plus LC. LV is what? You have made it 1, which is 1. There will be a list of lists actually. 1 plus LC. LC was initially empty. So LC will be 1, 1. I mean, it will look like this. I mean, this one I have explained, I mean, then, yeah, so sometimes back. Sometimes back over. Watch that lecture, no? I mean, which one? Just now I was showing. This lecture.
Yes, we'll watch it.
I'll show you where it will be. Yeah, good. I mean, I have explained it much more. See, can you watch? Will you able to watch?
When I watch it, sir. Maybe if I have doubts, I'll ask tomorrow.
Yeah. Please, I don't think so. You will have doubt after going through this one.
Okay, sir.
In this, yeah, because I have explained in much more details. See, this is the one I think question somewhere. It will be, just go through that. Somewhere it will be there. Okay? It's a very easy one. I mean, somewhere
Yes, sir. Then we will look at it.
Yeah, please watch that. Okay.
The last question, I have a doubt. It's a general doubt, sir, that what is the criteria that we'll be able to attend offline after diploma?
Offline, there is no scope of attending offline. All things will be online only, but you have a chance to get a TS-ship, and TS-ship is like that. If you get a good grade, I mean S grade or A grade, and if your overall marks is like 8.5 or 8, then you will be we will circulate one Google form through which you will fill up your choices, means which course you are comfortable or which course you have got grade A or S. Then we will have an interview. If you clear that one, then you will come to IIT. You will stay for 4 months. you will do a TA-ship like that is there. There is no offline things in this.
So we cannot attend the BSc last year degree offline, right?
No, offline is not a such case. Some projects some projects or something you can come, but not as a like offline, because since this is an online degree, no?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. Is this? I mean, I asked the support team. They said that this is legal. This is legal degree, right? Is this? Will I be able to study in foreign university on the basis of this degree?
Yeah. So see, thing is that like the degree what you will get or what I have got from here, there will be no difference. If I keep my degree and your degree, all things, all format are same. Nothing is changed. Like it will be not written online or offline. Nothing. It will be like same as you have done from here. So that's why I'm telling. Whatever I got degree and you will get the degree, both will have same. Obviously that only the course what you have done is different, but everything will be same. Next is the going for a higher study. So that's why if you go for BS, that 4 years, because in foreign they ask for the 4 years programming bachelor. So
Yeah.
if you do BS, obviously you are open to do any course in foreign also, master,
Oh,
whatever.
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
we say कि after qualify, I made some group.
After
Qualifier,
uh-huh.
You made some group, sir, but not made.
I did in the group houses.
No, you say some WhatsApp group.
No. There will be no WhatsApp group. All the communication through I didn't see. I don't think so. I have said, but if I said by mistake, it is not there. All the communication should be through Gmeet. I mean, Gmeet when we have something to clear, or this one, or you have a 24/7 open discussion forum or Discord. Rest of
Okay.
things, no
Thank you,
WhatsApp
sir.
group. We do not have any official WhatsApp group.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, so tomorrow session will be there, and also some parallel one more session is going on to watch if you have more doubts. Thank you for joining and do good well in quiz 2. Okay. Okay then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, 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 sir.